Yeah. Lyrical therapy. Let me vent. Yeah, I got some problems with pain, I don't know how to take it. Niggas scream they the realest, turned out to be the fakest. My heart deceiving my mind, I'm caught up in the matrix. Great things come with time, but I ain't got no patience. Problems been on my mind, can't run, I gotta face it. Family don't spend no time, can't tell it we related. Watch my dog see the shines, he heard they see the hatred. Show that I was the one, they tried to treat me basic. This shit ain't come overnight, was grinding since the basement. Gotta shake, gotta move, no I can't be complacent. Niggas ain't this the rock, I had to come and take it. Lost my dogs on the way, somehow I'm feeling vacant. If I be feeling too off, it's love but I don't say shit. Gotta be careful with love, that shit ain't nothing to play with. Thought you was my big brother, just tried to come up on me. I been feeling like Jesus the way these niggas cross me. Leveled up, seen they faces, I guess they feeling salty. Niggas leeching like fleas, I had to shake them on me. Broke bread with you, what made you think to betray me? Would've came my last you needed, but niggas too shady. Wonder why my attitude, man, fuck you, just pay me. I was ballin', left the court and went straight to the pavement. Fast forward 12, book me, I'm shackled in cages. On parole, detainer on me, I'm fighting these cases. Heard my mom apologize, but the pain I can't take it. Reverse the frowns and the smiles, I tried to replace it. Sacrifice, I put the work and put smiles on your faces. This for the times we felt the pain, they tried to break us. My ex bitch, she in our feelings cause she caught the vapors. Niggas quick to take advantage, running out of favors. Left me when they left me damaged, focused on my paper. Never tried to shit on niggas, I tried to motivate you. Always helped, I never hated, that ain't in my nature. I'ma keep that shit 100, gotta keep it playing. That's P. It's prime, nigga. Yeah. had that drip before gunner. Ask my niggas in the hood, 100 round clips on this drama. Robbed the nigga, he was pussy, I ain't worrying about the karma. These niggas keep saying I leveled up, but I've been a boss. My bitch keep saying that I ain't shit, but I've been a dog. Felt that homie was cold pussy, but he been a fraud. Fuck that bridge, I burn it down, then I swim across. All these Jews on me like a nigga left the synagogue. Shooters in the cut, you move wrong, I'm a sinner dog. Name that new chopper, Kevin the Costin, that's my bodyguard. 20 grand, got it in the tuck, I could buy the charge. Lou let me wear his clothes, Peen let me fuck his hoes. Rail let me stay at his crib when my sister found them O's. Auntie playing with her nose, brother playing with the stove, blood playing with the load. Pop a pill, make me doze. Oh, nigga, that leather so soft, I got a cold hard. I kept a snub nose inside my cold hard. These niggas so fraud, stand tall, never fall. Nigga, that part, still reminiscing about Smooth, still reminiscing about Q, still reminiscing about all. Black cloud on my heart, I really got it out the trenches, how I came up was hard. I ain't know how to cook the dope, so I just brought the shit hard. I got love for some niggas that still stuck in the yard, walking that tear, fucking they hand, holding back tears. You know Bizzle took that 30, he can't get back them years. Fear got jeans on, but not a nigga I fear. See some real niggas starve, see some lames get rich, see some niggas take the stand cause they ain't stand for shit. If you my mans, you my mans, I won't change for shit. Balenciaga runners on, I never ran from shit. And it's like that, nigga, four up, four down every fucking time. You know what I mean? From LA to the other block, nigga. 2 sign up, 2 sign down, nigga.
Special rest in peace to the wisest man I ever knew, my good brother Quan Lewis. I know you watching over me, King. You'll never be forgotten, and you'll always be missed. Peace in paradise. Quan Lewis. What's up, family? It's your boy, Brenda's baby, Remy L. My Aunt. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, Remy L. My Aunt, and my backup channel, Real My Aunt TV, go ahead, subscribe. I'll see you there. What's up, what's up, what's up with you, family? I don't know what the fuck is going on with my screen. It fucking froze again. God damn it. Anyway, we just gonna keep this motherfucking ball rolling today. It's your boy, Brenda's baby, Remy L. My Aunt. You are now tuned in to My Aunt TV. Now, as you come into the building, family, you already know the routine. Hit that like button, but most importantly, share this video. Yup, it froze. Share this video because it's all about the message, right? If you're new to the channel, it's your first time rocking with your boy, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, but do yourself a favor, hit that notification bell so you can be notified and alerted whenever I drop a live or a premiere. What's up, what's up, what's up? How y'all doing today, family? We got a very, 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 very exclusive show today. Very exclusive. I hope everybody weekend is going accordingly so far. We got a great lineup today. Very great lineup. And we got some good ass fucking receipts. We are going to bust the fucking floodgates open. We're going to bust these floodgates open. Today, I'm not playing. Hold on for a second, family. Hold on for a second. Let me try something real quick. There we go. There we go. Who we got in the building so far? We got a couple people in the building. We got Trip C's in the building. Ty, what's up with your family? Melanated Agenda, what's up? Who else we got? We got Triple C TV. We got Trip C's Treehouse. All 3 of them in here today. Just chilling. I missed you the other day. Where you been at, bro? Curve Service. Skirt, skirt. Ooh. Got me pushing the wrong buttons. Hold up. That sounded good. Hold up. That sounded a little good. Hold on, let me make sure my mic up. We got Transcripts in the building. We got Shabo in the building. What's up? What's up? What's up? How y'all doing today? Yo, we got a great show for y'all today. We got some motherfucking receipts. Somebody came in my chat. Let me make sure I get the name right. Let me make sure I get the name right because this person didn't have to do what they did. And they came through today. They came through today. So let me give this shout out to this person. Let me make sure I got it right. Silene 334's channel gets a big round of applause for sending me these receipts. Today we got a very special show. Today we got some fucking receipts that's going to bust the fucking floodgates wide open on young Pharaoh. No more talking this trillionaire shit. No more talking about this getting money shit. We got receipts on his real income. And let me tell you, family, let me tell you, this nigga is going broke. Let me start by saying that this nigga income is not matching his expenses. Now we know why that nigga is asking for donations all of a sudden. We got court papers and documents. We got income receipts. What else we got today? We got Bullets Thotty showing up in the chat. Ant-Man, peace and welcome to the channel. Make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button. Make sure it's on all. Hit that notification bell. Make sure it's on all because YouTube be fucking with people's shit. We got receipts on young Pharaoh income. We got the court papers, so we know when his next court document is. We got Bullets Thotty showing up in the chat yesterday and running like the bitch that he is. Gave him an opportunity to come up too. He did some old sneaky shit. Nigga popped up in the chat and deleted himself out the chat so nobody in the chat would see it but me. But luckily, StreamYard keeps it up even if you delete it. Unless I delete it, everybody sees it. So we got Bullets Thotty showing up in the chat, running like a little bitch that he is. We got the ER. Miss what in the butt channel gets snatched. That's what you get. How's the views working for you now, buddy? Clickbait. Not doing too good with the made subscribers, are you? Channel got snatched. Only down to 8 subscribers, so he's fucked. We got Rashad, Jamal. We're going to break down, recap, and finally go through the Rashad, Jamal, and young Pharaoh beef. What I was going to do is I was going to go back to that Night and Day Network interview because there were some inconsistencies that I found watching it today while I was on the way. Yup, we tried to told him. He did 4 clickbait videos, misinformation. Oh, there it go again. Hold on. I gotta go. I'll come back. There we go. He did 4 fucking he didn't want to listen. Right, Tripsies. He didn't want to listen. He did 4 videos clickbaiting, lying about Nature Boy's case, saying it was dismissed. And I still try to be a nice guy, give him a warning, take that shit down because it's 3 strikes and you out, and you got 4. He did 4 back-to-back misinformational videos, and up and down those videos, people were complaining about his clickbaiting, and he kept saying numbers, women lie, numbers lie, women lie, men lie, them numbers don't lie, neither do YouTube. I'm gonna sip my tea on that one. We got DJ Academics growing a fucking backbone, standing his ground on Clubhouse. don't even like that nigga. I gotta give him a round of applause for that because he stood his ground. Like he was a little still shaky, a little shaky on the ass kissing a little bit, but he stood his ground. Jenny, what's up? Peace and welcome. So we got receipts on young Pharaoh's income, proving that he's nowhere near a trillionaire or billionaire. He's not even a fucking millionaire. The nigga's going Brizzo. We got his court documents showing when his next court date is coming up. Why you can't see anybody comments? I don't know. You might need to refresh. You might be on the backup page. Look at it. If it says Real Ma'at TV, you're on the backup page, Jenny. If it's you got to go to Remiel Ma'at. Let me see. Yeah, you on the Real Ma'at page. You on the backup page. You got to go to my main page. So we got receipts on young Pharaoh. We got ER channel getting taken down. We got Bullet Stotty showing up in the chat, then running like the bitch that he is. Oh, whoa. I think we got some more shit. We got more receipts in the building. Oh, we got all the court documents. Oh, we got all the court documents. Oh, we got all. Oh, they just sent some more receipts. We have all of the court documents. All of them. We got the affidavit. Oh shit, we about to go ham. We about to go ham on this nigga. We about to shut all this shit down. Infinity Way TV. Peace and welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell. Make sure it's on all. So we got the receipts on young Pharaoh, ER channel getting taken down. We got Bullet Stotty showing up in the chat, then running like a little bitch that he is. Yeah, his channel's gone. He restarted a new channel with 8 subscribers. How them views looking now? We're gonna get to that first. Then we got DJ Academics actually growing a fucking backbone and standing up to Whack 100. I mean, he stood on his word. He wasn't like, I'll let you judge. So before we get into that, you already know we got to get into our health tip for the haters. And this health tip is very special. It's for you niggas and you people that come over here and your butt hurt about the people that I'm talking about and you think you're going to troll me.
Hello.
You think you're going to troll me? I was ready to ask you to come up. I need you to be my eyes. I failed that blood test.
I just wanted to say that I usually don't say I told you so, but since this was my professional opinion and you basically spit in my face, ha! Gotcha, bitch! I ain't even have to touch shit.
Just hit my tea on that one. Oh man, I gotta go out and come back in again. This fucking thing.
A good thing I jumped up here. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me won't go home. Sing it with me, chat. It ain't funny, but it's funny when people get hoisted by their own pater. I just giggle a little bit because it's just like there he goes. Damn. Let me play my phone first. Hey, Don. Dale. Daylight come and me one go home. Infinity don't pay him no attention. He was talking like he knew Golden Beauty too, and that was determined to be a lie. But yeah.
Yes, definitely did. So before we get into all that extra exciting stuff today, we got to get into our health tip for the haters. And this health tip, like I said, is for all the haters that come by and your butt hurt about the person that I'm talking about. You think you're going to stop me? You think you're going to control me? Only thing you're going to get is cuss the fuck out in this health tip right here.
If you have cold sores on your mouth from kissing someone else who has cold sores on their mouth, because I know a lot of simps do that, you can get these black nuts and rub them on your mouth. So that was my health tip for today. Rub these black nuts all over your mouth if you got cold sores. Peace, peace, family.
And black nuts can be found at your local Whole's Food and Fresh Market.
And that was our health tip from the late great.
We ain't gonna give up on Dr. NK yet.
But nobody
NYC, PhD, OPP. Let's get it right now, Remy.
Hopefully he's out there drifting away in the black hole. He finally found his peace.
Ebony Republicans has not learned his lesson. I repeat, he has not learned his lesson.
But
he talking is now about trolling like he knows healing within. He doesn't know healing within any more than he knows Golden Beauty or Nature Boy or Polite or Young Pharaoh. It's all in his little pea-brain sized mind while he sips lattes at Starbucks in between Uber Eats orders. Okay.
Delusion. So we just going to jump into. Oh wait. Oh, Jenny,
there's nothing wrong with driving for Uber Eats. It's just don't lie on your shit and you driving for Uber Eats.
And then you're gonna try to talk about somebody who has 2 jobs, and you working for Uber Eats. Oh yeah, Jenny, I got you. Miss what in the butt?
That's him with a couple of piles on him.
That's him.
Look, ain't that an unk around his neck?
Look like it.
It's either an unk or the prince.
It might be.
That's either an unk or the prince symbol. I know my.
That's Miss what in the butt. This page got snatched down. That's what you get for spreading misinformation. You lucky Golden Beauty didn't file charges on him for harassment.
Look, let me tell you something, ER. If every one of them people in your comments struck it for the same thing, how you waffle?
Yup. How you waffle? So I went to his page today because I heard he was talking some ish. Nisha, hey, peace and welcome back.
He had to have a backup stalky if Golden Beauty didn't work out, you know.
Yep. Yep.
This motherfucker worse than Steve Urkel. I'm wearing you down, baby. I'm wearing you down.
You the Urkel. You the Urkel. You the Urkel.
Hey, Urkel cooler than this motherfucker.
Yeah, definitely. Miss what in the butt? That's his new name. So he has 8 subscribers, and all together.
And then he put up the same videos with different thumbnails.
Fucking videos.
Black
3 views
around Saturn.
3 views, 8 views, 8 views, 36 views. Damn.
Hold on. Are there any comments?
Hold on, we about to check. You know, if it is, you know it's by him.
For the comments. Fuck the video. What the comments say.
If it is, you know it's by him.
True.
Ebony or Muhammad. Yep.
Look, whether you want to be Republicans today or Muhammad or George Solid, we know it's all you. We know they're all you. You might not know they're all you, but we do.
You already know them. Yep. Oh, I ain't mean to do that. It was automatically. Yep. We're going on, family. We back in the gym. Like Earl Spence giving these boys that work. Oh, you giving work? All right. You giving these boys work? I told y'all this what in the butt. Yeah, he commenting on his own shit. So he has 9 subscribers now. Somebody subscribed. I think this video just got him
subscribing just to troll him. Hey, Shaylo, where you at?
Got him a subscriber.
The lights went out on time.
Nothing.
Hold on. There ain't no comment on these. On this.
Hey, Nishani.
His biggest video is when he was on somebody else's platform. Black women rings around.
Nobody commented.
Ebony or Muhammad. Yo, so you really call yourself Ebony?
Liquid Jaded.
Liqua, what's up, sis? How you doing? LOL, he's we tried to tell his sorry ass. We definitely did. Hey, Jaded.
His way right back to the top. So watch what I
Jaded. I remixes for you. What in the butt? What in the butt?
He gonna try to clickbait his way right back to the top. Watch what I say.
Hey, back. And he gonna get that shit shut right back down.
Hey, I hit the light 4 times. So 4 people didn't hit the light.
That's Miss what
with 5.
in the butt. What
8, I mean.
All right, let's stop fucking with it.
Yeah, Ty, but what man, what kind of man makes an account as a female and then goes under his main account and comments under it? Multiple male and female accounts, and they sitting there talking to each other. Like I said, dude, we know they all you.
Maybe he has a
might not know they all you, but we do, Mr. Muhammad, Yorkshire, Republican.
I remember you had to correct me the first time he was in the chat, and I was like, Ebony Republicans, what's up, sis? He was like, that's a man. My bad. Oh shit, my bad. I thought that was a woman.
That's why
maybe he has a woman living inside.
Right in the head. That boy is touched.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe he has a woman living inside of him. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe his alter ego is a woman. But for now on, your name on YouTube is Miss What in the butt. So I know what y'all are here for. I wanted to save the best for last. Should I say the best for last?
I don't know, because you can't tease the people like that.
Yeah, you can't tease them. All right. So we're gonna get into these receipts. First, we're gonna play a video.
He gave it to himself. No, he goes by different names. See, he goes by Clyde Yorkshire, then he goes by Clyde Muhammad, then he goes by Ebony Muhammad, then he's got a sister Republicans, and then he got a sister Republicans Muhammad, but they all him. They all him, baby.
I know ebony is like a term for black, but when do you ever see the word ebony describing black other than
skin?
Pornos.
That in skin tone.
Y'all act like I'm the only one that ever watched it. Well, y'all don't front. Y'all ain't never watched a porno before.
You the one sitting up here with a look on your face like you ain't never watched a porno before. That's why I'm laughing. Like you scared to say it.
We got some virgin ears in the building.
Shouldn't be.
All right, so no,
hang around y'all.
I'll be looking at my age group and on my listeners, and I gotta be respectful.
Mm-hmm.
If you look at the age group and most of my listeners, they're all older. So I like to be respectful. He said I was gonna say porn. Yeah, that's the only time you see ebony. That's how I found out.
He wrote the book, but here goes the Infinity. It's on Amazon. We know he wrote it, but I could write Speak and Spell Loves Octopuses and put it on Amazon as long as it passed the little test.
Oh yeah, you know who did write a book that I did want to mention? You just reminded me.
Mm.
Uh, 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 Demas.
Who? Demas?
Demas. He wrote a book. Take over.
Demas Talachi to take over. Shout
Yeah.
out.
Shout out to Demas. He showed me the manuscript and the whole thing he wrote. His wife is typing it up. He about to sign a contract with a publishing company. So shout out to Demas.
More than likely he did. He probably copied and pasted from a couple of different sources, but I'm not buying the shit to find out. I know somebody said they had bought it and it was hot garbage. So
I heard a lot of people say that shit. A lot of people say that shit, but with his imagination though, you would think he could write a good book. That nigga has a hell of an imagination. Did you ever like sit and really like look?
If he could harness them characters, he could make like the equivalent of Harry Potter or some shit. But the problem is he ain't got no control all over them characters.
I mean, he came up with the idea of my fiance leaving me for another woman because I'm burning out the electricity.
Don't forget that, bro.
Put me on child support because I'm burning out the electricity on YouTube. He got more videos than me though.
You ain't got no ISBN code.
Exactly. He got a wild imagination. Very wild imagination. So we're gonna get into these receipts. We're gonna play a couple videos first into why I'm playing these receipts, showing these. Actually, I was planning on just going over that Night and Day Network.
Receipts. I'm speaking for the chat now.
Without the structure to them, you know. The video 1 minute. Video 1 minute. You know, he just one. Talking about he about to be a trillionaire. He's on his way to be. He's racing Elon Musk. He said he's racing against Elon Musk right now.
Oh yes, Remy, and I just want to congratulate you. You are coming up in the world. You are getting your own secret angels. Let's have a round of applause for Remy.
Yeah.
Isn't it beautiful, family? Isn't it beautiful?
And you can Google me. Another round for that. I tried it yesterday. I was like, let me see if what pops up if I Google Remy on my eye. And I popped, like all my shit popped up. I was like, God damn, I'm moving up. And I noticed that like a lot of bigger channels like know me too. Like a lot of people, like more people than I thought knew me.
Mm-hmm.
And you never know who's watching but not subscribed.
Your channel popping.
Yeah,
like Pharaoh lip gloss used to before he ran out of money. But
but no matter how big my channel get, I'm always going to be the same humble Remy on my eye. I'm always going to follow people back.
Close your curtain, brother. Close your curtain.
You ever see? Close my curtain.
It's some kind of glare coming. It's on your chest.
Oh, that's from my it's my my thing. Hold on.
Yeah.
I was going to say that's that bling around my neck.
His jewelry at the pawn shop. He spent the last of his money getting the jewelry at the pawn shop, more than likely, rather than paying other bills.
That's what I think he did. But like you ever see celebrities like in their like Instagrams and stuff like that? You watch their following and only like following like 2 people.
Mm-hmm.
I'm always gonna have more people I follow because I follow everybody. Ooh, excuse me. I follow everybody back. You know, I think, you know, for you following me, I'm going to follow you back. Even if you don't have a channel, I'm going to push subscribe back every time a new subscriber pops up on my thing. You know, I'm never going to become bigger than the people that watch me. I'm just an average nigga. So let's get into this video of him talking about
these grill on pawn.
I wonder if you can do that. Yeah, they can still melt that down.
They take gold. We buy any kind of gold, remember?
Yeah, and you can You know, I used to watch the pawn shop joint, and the dude used to go in there gambling old head. It was right across the street from the casino. Dude come in and pawn these two rings, $800 a piece, and come right back to go gamble, and come right back that same day
And come
and
get
buy
it.
them bitches back every day. Thank you, Nico. Appreciate it, and you appreciate, and you deserve to be number one. Nico, you need to. I'm gonna start playing some of your songs on my intro with your permission. Might use it as an intro or outro. You know,
For which one?
that's how it's gotta rock. Uh, either channel. You know, I
You
need
know
to
what I'm
switch up
saying?
my
What for an intro?
her songs. One of her
Oh,
songs.
yeah. Oh, Nico, yeah. No, that's
Yeah,
what I was asking you. Who? Nico. That's the answer.
equal.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 30 people in the building. Um, it should be 30 likes, y'all. I need that 30. I need them 30 likes. 30 people to 30 people in the building need them 30 likes. So let's get into this.
Yeah, It's the General Frost. Peace be from this right here is about how I'm a self-made millionaire, and I will be a trillionaire before Elon Musk in 2024. So I'm in a race with Elon Musk right now to see who's gonna become a trillionaire first. And with that being said, I'm already up 4 apps, 4 inventions, and for those of you who want to support,
Did you hear what this nigga said?
Peace be from this right here is about how I'm a self-made millionaire, and I will be a trillionaire before Elon Musk in 2024. So I'm in a race with Elon Musk right now to see
He
who's
must
gonna become a
knew
trillionaire
I was
first.
gonna get some
With that being
receipts.
said, I'm already up 4 apps, 4.
I'm telling you, y'all, the ancestors must have warned him, like, yo, they about to find out your financial problem. Go on there and say you say you racing Elon Musk. Ooh, wrong one. I gotta get a button pusher.
And for those of you who want to support, General Rotten is my cash app. But outside of that, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm building a nation, and it pretty much is what it is. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Peace, froze. Yeah, I got my special. I'm the hardest to the.
So as you can see in the video, this nigga is talking about he is racing. He is now enlightened journey. Peace and welcome. He is now racing Elon Musk to become a trillionaire. Young Pharaoh, after today, you will not
Not if
be
he
allowed
goes
to.
to jail chilling, he won't be homeless then.
He said he got 4 apps. On the Night and Day Network, he said he invented a watch that tells the time precisely, exactly where we are in the galaxy and the universe, like that hasn't already been done. I'm pretty sure
What
I
he's
can go
doing
on
is
the App
perusing
Store
the
and find that
news
right now.
and seeing what's new and then saying he invented it.
Yep. And as I've proven before, young Pharaoh is taking credit for, hold on, a tech company called ATEN International. And I've proved this over and over again. Here's the company right here. The company is called ATEN International. It's a Taiwanese multinational manufacturing of connectivity and access management hardware headquartered in, I don't know what the fuck that is, Xai district in Taiwan. It was founded July 6, 1979. So this company is 42 years old. This company is 10
That's the
years. One
Zixi district.
Zizichi. That's
Zik
what you said?
Zik Zixi.
Yeah, that's how I'm is out in Belgium.
If you Google the most accurate wristwatch in the world, I bet you that
Bet
right
you
now there is one that just got invented recently. Because I remember reading the article.
hold on, let me find out the network is. Find out their network. Oh, so they worth, so here you go. They're worth 699 billion since in 2004. 2014, I mean 2014. Total equity, no, the assets is worth 5.699 billion, and the total equity is 3.553 billion. So this is where he's getting that shit from.
Mm-hmm.
This is where he's getting that shit from. He knows his followers.
He listen. If he watch anime,
No,
he gotta
I'm
know
older
how
than
the
him.
anxious he is about their copywriting. These folk
Mm.
find out he be using their stuff, and he they will putting injunction on his room.
They're gonna sue the shit out of him. All
With
right, so
the quickness.
let's get to these receipts. So um here I have his entry in his what he entered into the court, the paper that you fill out for your public defender.
Mm-hmm.
You fucked up, Marshall. You fucked up. And boy is it bad.
He
Boy is
sure
it
enough
bad.
do like using the same numbers over and over again, don't he?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. But what you notice is his expenses are more than he
Same number,
makes.
same number, same number.
His expenses are more than he makes. So that nigga. Now, if you look here, let me zoom in. Ooh, it sent me more shit. I got a Charlie's Angels on my squad. Marshall Jeannie Daniels, November 2001, November 24th.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he was born August 30th, 90. He's a Leo. No, that's not Leo, is it? But it's
Mm-hmm.
the same month as mine. I'm August 5th, 93. So this nigga is way younger than me. So terroristic threats, assault on a family member. You look here. Can you
Virgo.
guys see it? Put a one in the chat if you guys can see it. Let me take
Mm-hmm.
a Virgo. Oh yeah, JD, I forgot you August too. Put a one in the chat if everybody can see it. I need to make sure. He said, "LOL, don't do Leos like that." I'm a Leo, so that's what I'm saying.
Jessica, peace and welcome.
Jessica, I like that. I said that before, but I'm gonna say it again. That is a clever way to put your name. Very clever.
I wasn't even born in 79.
His parents wasn't even fucking.
Right.
At least each other. Dee Dee, peace and welcome.
Dee.
Okay, so everybody can see it. So what you're gonna notice here is who he listed as his girlfriend, Martina. You can see here he listed Martina as his girlfriend. She's 31. So she's a year younger than me too.
And 3 children. One
Three
4 years
kids.
old, one 3-year-old, and one 1-year-old.
Damn, I thought I had kids back to back. No, they were all a year or two apart.
Full-time employed, self-employed YouTuber.
Yep. Houston,
Employer's telephone number, Supervisor's name, self. How long employed? 5 years.
okay, now we're gonna get down to the salary and
Okay, that's
expenses.
scroll. Yeah, your salary $2,100. Spouse's salary zero. SSI nothing. TANF nothing. Social Security nothing. Child support nothing. Other government check nothing. Government housing nothing. Other income nothing. So his income for the month is supposed to be $2,100. Then you go to necessary monthly living expenses. Rent, mortgage, and insurance is $2,100. Car payment and insurance is $2,100. Utilities is $700. Cell phone $68. Clothes $500. Nothing for daycare, but he say he taking care of 3 kids. Nothing for medical care. Nothing for credit cards. No court ordered monies and no child support. Total necessary expenses $5,468. Here's why this makes no sense. First off, how does your total income match your living expenses for not only your rent and mortgage? That's the same exact amount, but for your car payment and insurance. And then you have other bills which total up to $1,268. But you only make $2,100. That's enough to cover either the rent or mortgage and insurance, or the car payment and insurance. He all cap, Umi. This is the same thing you see on his W-2. He just plug the same numbers in everywhere.
What I'm seeing is
nothing for food. Well, no, $500 for food and clothes. 2 adults and 3 children. $500 for food and clothes.
Young nanny.
But it's 4 of them in a house, and he make $2,100, but they don't get food stamps or tenant. Man, come on.
But what we're seeing is your expenses is more than what you're making.
Yeah.
You can't claim you're on your way to be a billionaire, trillionaire.
Right,
You just can't claim millionaire.
$368.
You're not even a thousandaire.
You a negative thousandaire.
My nigga, you in debt. That's why you asking for the motherfucking donations.
Keep scrolling that way.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
You go to the assets.
Non-exempt assets, no cash on hand, no stocks, bonds, or investments, no amount in savings or checking, and no value of real property land. That means he lied to the court because Marshall Daniels is on that house in Katy, Texas.
He said he owns the house. It says it up here. Right here. Rent, own, or other. Own.
Yeah, so it makes no sense. He just plugged in numbers where he thought he had to plug in numbers. Because if he did what he was supposed to do, he would have put the property value in there. That's that house.
So he pretty much fucked himself. He showed that you're going broke, or you are broke by now, because this has been going on for months.
Mm-hmm. He ain't have enough money then, and he ain't got enough money down, and that's why he begging for cash outs and PayPal and check if you got it. He don't care. He'll take it out. He sounding like Umar right by now.
Yep. Hit the cash app. Hit the cash app. You gotta do the blink.
Is he renting that house? Because I saw something that said he owned it. Transcript. Like he got it for cheap, but he owned it.
He says he owned it. He owns it on here.
He stumbled across a deal.
Yep.
But I don't know. My paperwork might not be accurate.
That's his signature.
And shit, half of that on there is cap and lies. I'm talking about what I saw somewhere else.
Yeah. That's his signature.
Cause see, I couldn't find him, but I found that property perfectly well. And when it came up, cash apps.
I thought, wait.
How anybody get anywhere with no money? Only the magically broke do that shit.
Boom. And you said you was representing yourself. I'm asking the court to appoint counsel for me.
Let's see, this is why I say he owns that house, right? I was digging around looking for him on the internet. I couldn't find him. So I was like, well, let me see if I could find it through the house. I found the house and his name's on it, but I still couldn't find him.
That is crazy. So this right here, Marshall.
I am asking the court to appoint counsel for me. Yes. Marshall. Form entirely wrong. You're thinking about this like he's an upstanding citizen and is actually filling this form out correctly. He leaving a whole lot of shit out.
Even if he not, he can't claim to be a trillionaire no more. Can't claim you a millionaire. Not even 1,000. Don't even look like you're a $100aire.
Well, maybe he was renting to own the motherfucker.
Your expenses are double.
Yeah, Nisha.
Your expenses are double.
On this form.
Rent and car payment is double. He might be lying on his form
because look, he say he got to take care of Martina and 3 kids, but both Camille and Golden said he wasn't giving them no money.
Yep.
And Martina kids with her baby daddy. So what 3 kids you taking care of?
I just watched a video of Martina saying that the kids are with her in a furnished house.
Yeah, now. But when she was with him, the kids were with their dad.
Yeah, I do remember that. But,
so he's saying there's 4 people in the house, and her kid's older than this anyway. He trying to put Camille child and Golden 2 babies on there. But the catch to that is he wasn't giving them no money.
Yep. That's what happened when you use that ATEN math.
And he's sitting up here filling out these government documents like this ain't gonna come back to bite him in the butt. Like the government, like the IRS ain't never gonna figure out that his W-2 is full of shit.
Exactly.
Umi, Martina children, teenagers. He got a 3 and 4-year-old on here.
You pointed that out on the on his that fake thing
W-2 because he got the same numbers on there.
His losses were the same as his
and he tried to write the same thing on here, but he kept putting the same number in every slot.
Math ain't math. Yep. Bruh. Do we got a video of that? Of him showing those documents?
I think we got screenshots, maybe.
We got a screenshot of that.
Yeah, Don, it's a federal offense.
Let me see. We got his next court date. Here's his next.
He says he's the smartest man in the world, but he don't know you don't lie to the IRS.
And he knows the law. He said, if you put an equation in front of Rashad Jamal, if you you give him a chemistry test, I bet you I'll finish first. You might finish first, but your answers might not be. Guarantee ain't gonna be the fuck right.
Just because you the fastest don't mean you're the correct one.
Fast and dumb.
Jenny, he could get one if he go in and get himself self-admitted, but he won't do that because he won't admit he got a problem. So these were filed April 27th. So that's the day before yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Your next court date is June 29th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. at the Criminal Justice Center. You must appear for the charge assault.
Hope they don't see that shit. You better hope they. That's why he took that fucking video down. Remember, he said he accidentally deleted the Costa Rica video. Wasn't that the day before yesterday? You better be careful there, little buddy.
Them slips looking raggedy. They got dirt on the hem. Yes. He trying to get that money up for court. And he got longer than Eugene do because Eugene looking sick.
Yep. Yeah, he looked real sick. I was watching that video, and you was right. His face is all bloated, lips all puffed out.
Like he ain't been sleeping and stuff. Hey, Jocelyn.
Jocelyn, peace and welcome.
You can scroll on down because that's just the helpful information part. What was needed was that at the top. And go on to the next. That's just where you got to go and all that other stuff.
Okay. I saw the avoid an arrest, go to all
Mm,
court where you must appear and follow any conditions from the judge. Now, this right here is important. Follow any conditions from the judge. Did he follow any of those fucking conditions?
mm-mm.
Not a one. Him going to jail. That's why he pushing out all that shit so quick.
Because look, it's almost May. June is right around the corner.
Him going to jail. Okay, so we got
Eugene running around here
yeah.
looking sick. Umar quiet as a church mouse now.
Ooh, this is the paperwork. Hold on.
You didn't send me all that.
I just got it as we was. That's why I kept saying, "Ooh, more
Oh,
receipts."
okay.
Yeah, I just got
Yeah,
it.
I
I'm
forgot about that part. Carry on, carry on.
as we
Hey,
was
while we here, what y'all want to do tonight?
what you what's the option?
I'm asking y'all what y'all want to do tonight.
I mean,
No, I'm flexible.
It's Friday night.
The state of Texas, by and
I
through its assistant district attorney, requests this court enter a sufficient bail pursuant to Texas Code of Criminal Prosecution, annotation Art 17.93, 17.15. Sufficient and non-oppressive bail is required to give proper consideration to the nature of the offense, protect the safety of the victim and community, and provide reasonable assurance that the defendant will return. The nature of the case reflects defendant is already on bail for a separate offense. Scroll down.
hold on. I'm ready to
Okay.
forward it all to you while you're
County
reading.
Criminal Court at Law 003. Offense terroristic threat. Pending case. Bond personal property. Okay, the next one is terroristic threat. Pending case. Keep going down. Terroristic threat, pending case, and terroristic threat. So these are all the other charges he got on him besides the ones that he already got. The state of Texas prays that the court will enter a sufficient and non-oppressive bond of $5,000. So that's for that one charge.
Damn.
Yeah. Jenny, my mama always told me life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
I just sent it to you so you can share it. Let you share it because you gonna be my eyes. There's a lot of them. You get it?
Yeah, I just got it. Hold on. Let me flip tabs. Go here. Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah, he said subscribe to Alton University and see me kill Rashad. That's why he trying to get more subscribers to that joint. You
This
just saw
nigga
it. Even
crazy.
if he isn't lying, or if it's still it is recorded that your income is less than your expenses. You got two expenses that double your income. Plus, and that's not even counting your food, clothes, cell phone bills.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Them fucked. Now we know why he asking for them donations.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo!
Oh yeah, he just did a hold on. Before you get into that, I forgot about this joint too. He said something about YouTube. Hold on.
Okay, hold up. I'm opening them all in order on Adobe so we ain't gotta
My
keep going.
views and my subscribers.
You say you open it on Adobe. Hold on. All right, while you doing that, I'm gonna play this real quick. Now I see why he is saying this. What he's saying now on this next video. This video I'm about to play is only a minute. You know how he do. He drop 1-minute videos and try to dart out.
Yeah, it's the general, fellas. PD from I just want to say this one thing real quick, right? Real quick. YouTube needs to go back to the way it was before they did the bullshit in 2018. I don't know who messed it up, whether it was Logan Paul, Jake Paul, no disrespect, one of the white kids, man. I don't understand it. Leave the ads alone. I don't understand why my views and my subscribers going up, but my revenue is going down, and then y'all complaining about the advertising. Forget all of that. Forget all of that.
He said, and my revenue is going down.
Put
It looked like he's scrambling.
Video. It don't matter what ad. Nobody really honestly cares about what ads goes on the video. Put whatever ads need to be on the videos. Let people get paid off the ads like you used to do back in the day. However YouTube was when I first got on in 2015 is how we need to go back so everybody can have a fair chance at earning a decent living on YouTube. And I'm not over here complaining about YouTube money.
Stop all that shit.
He's not complaining about YouTube money. If you're not complaining, then what the fuck is you talking about then, my nigga? He's scrambling, yo. He's scrambling. Now this video makes so much sense.
This is going up, but my revenue is going down, and then y'all complaining about the advertising.
He said,
Jake Paul, no disrespect, one of the white kids, man. I don't understand it. Leave the ads alone. I don't understand why my views and my subscribers is going up, but my revenue is going down, and then y'all complaining about the advertising. Forget all of that. Forget all of that. Put the ads on the video. It don't matter what ad. Nobody really honestly cares about what ads on the video.
Ty.
Put whatever ads need to be on the videos. Let people get paid off the ads like you used to do back in the day. However YouTube was when I
there you go.
2015 is how we need to go.
Hey Leonard, I've been waiting for you, bro. I got you. I've been waiting for you. Leonard, shout out to Leonard the one who pointed this shit out. His new nickname, Mr. What in the butt. He got his channel snatched.
Yeah, Enlightened Journey, that YouTube channel been over. I mean, that YouTube loss has been over. It's been over since like before the Rona hit.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely been over. He's trying to sue. He's trying to get YouTube to pay his
go back so
pay his lawyer fees.
Yeah,
that's what he's trying to do. He dismissed the case because he didn't have
fees paid if you lose.
Mm-hmm. First of all, he collected donation for the lawyers, knowing that lawyer paid unless you get paid.
Mm-hmm.
But he must have got a lawyer that he had to pay.
Fair chance at earning a decent living on YouTube. And I'm not over here complaining about YouTube money or whatever I'm talking about, but it's just y'all ruining it. Nobody want to wait till they get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to monetize. And then, okay, even if y'all do keep that threshold, somebody to prove that they're serious about being a YouTuber, once they get monetized.
He said it's 4,000 watch hours. Oh, so I doubled that because I just hit 10,000. I just got my joint for 10,000 the other day.
If you go to that thing where it's monetized, it'll tell you exactly how many watch hours needed.
Yeah, all right.
But
nobody wants to wait to get 1,000
technically.
Sure.
Subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to monetize. And then, okay, even if y'all do keep that threshold for somebody to prove that they're serious about being a YouTuber, once they get monetized, let the revenue go back to however it was before they did this bullcrap in 2018. Because I feel like y'all just being greedy. Y'all just being greedy. Y'all making enough. And I actually love being a YouTuber. I love doing YouTube. It's fun. You feel me? But I don't have time to be suffering as a YouTuber because my views and my subscribers going up, but my revenue going down because y'all.
I have never seen somebody that has to pause what he's saying just to.
Okay, I got him up.
Dry. All right. Oh, let's finish out what he said.
About something going on with the advertisers. We don't have nothing to do with that. YouTubers have to suffer because of whatever y'all got going on in the back because y'all can't get it together. Put the regular damn ads on the video. Nobody cares ads.
What'd you say?
Ty said go to his latest video. I guess it's something there.
He just put up another one.
I guess.
You know, about to see. I never shot go. What? Please don't tell me this title don't say what the fuck I think it say.
It say what you think it say. Quit being amazed and play it before we yank it down.
Yeah, it's the general, bro. PZ told me, I just want to say this. I didn't shoot Golden Beauty House. It was all for entertainment. You know what I'm saying? Everything you've been seeing on YouTube lately has been for entertainment. You know what I'm saying? And I apologize. You know what I'm saying? I apologize for anybody that might have thought it. You know what I'm saying? It was all for entertainment.
Bruh, we saw the bullet hole.
That's all I want to say. It was all for entertainment. I hope you've been very entertained by the drama lately.
We're trying to backtrack.
I hope you've been entertained by the drama lately. But I want to be honest, I don't do drama. You know what I'm saying? So that's not my specified form of entertainment. But it was
trying to backtrack, y'all.
I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to all my, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all you. I just woke up from sleeping outside and just chilling it. That's all I'm saying.
Backtracking.
But I'm about to do my live. I got some things to talk about.
He about to go to jail. They know it.
Oh, enlighten. Say what kind of drugs we think he.
That's not fair. That's real.
Well, we decided yesterday that there might be a little Adderall in the mix.
Yeah, gotta be something.
And then, hey, little boy, you know what I'm doing?
Hold on, I got you. This what he doing.
Hey, Mr. Police.
Let's let this play out before he try to take it down.
Yeah,
it's doing a hell of a doing a Lone Star job. He doing a hell of a job by himself, and ain't nobody saying nothing about the job that
Golden Beauty bought.
Ain't nobody, and that's not for entertainment. That's for real. So we about to talk about that in a minute tonight on the live stream or maybe tomorrow. But nobody talking about the hell of a job.
He just wants some views. He trying to get his views up before he go to jail.
Don't say nothing. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, you down? Okay.
He doing a hell of a job. You know what I'm saying? Wait a minute.
All right.
Nobody talking about the job that man. You know what I'm? Let me go in. Is it in here? Oh, because I'm about to make a smoothie to get my weight up. They say, Pharaoh, why you about to get your weight up?
You about to make a smoothie to get what you need to get your weight up for, Pharaoh.
Jail.
He doing a hell of a job though.
I know what he needs to get his weight up for.
I'm about to drink my smoothie and get, because like I said, I don't got a cap. When I was upstate,
I don't got a cap.
400 push-ups straight.
You've been capping for the last year.
And that's like you can ask Wyoming B2 about
2, 3, 4, 5.
And I can show you better than I can tell you, because the border got to. If we not safe at home, where we safe at? If we not safe at home, where we safe? Write it down for me. Write it down. If we not safe at home, where we safe? So like I said, he doing a hell of a job, and that's not for entertainment. You know what I'm saying? That's not for entertainment. But like I said, I apologize to anybody that might have been disturbed by what, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I gotta just, I know they came in here and tried to break it, but they could never break the spirit. They could never break the spirit.
Almost knew you do a great job.
I channel the spirit of thought. Yeah, I channel the spirit of thought. But anyway, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I want to give a special shout out to the FBI, to the CIA, to the sheriffs, to the constables, and and who I want to say another thing as a
he's about to go to jail. He knows.
Jailhouse attorney, but really the best black attorney in the country. Who protect the Constitution better than the goddamn sheriff? The sheriff doing a hell of a job.
I thought you said he was.
Whoa. Is that what I thought it was?
What?
Hold on. Finish playing that and then I'm gonna play this. But hurry up, because he might
It's almost over.
I'm a citizen. I'm a citizen. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, it was all for entertainment. It's the motherfucking
that statue sound hollow to the motherfucker.
Let's go. Yeah, I got my face, bro.
That statue sounds cardboard in the motherfucker.
Look, don't worry about him with no shirt on, but look. I might not have took this Negro. Ramen and
noodles. That's why he said that shit. We know why he trying to get his weight up. Hold on. We know why he trying to get his weight up.
First time getting transferred, this finna be a breeze.
Put down that pillow and come get hit with this armadillo. It's your first day in a new cell, and I'm finna get you hit. Shoot that ass up, big dog.
What are the odds? Go!
You changed locations, now let's get that ass in rotation.
I'm getting lightheaded. Go!
Don't rebuttal, come get this pinochle.
Oh, I got transferred and you a perv.
I'm your new cellmate, and it's time for me to penetrate. Holla for the guard, but I'm still out hard.
Beyond me.
We can do this during the day or at night, but you gonna get this pipe.
Go!
Big fella, you look like chocolate pie, and you just the right guy.
Hey, knock it off.
Only thing I'm knocking off is your head if you don't spread them legs, bucko.
Go!
You might be in distress, but it's time to make a mess.
I've never seen you act like this.
Big fella, I don't got all day. Bring that ass this way.
I just came to do my time.
You can do your time getting hit from behind with it in your spine. Come get this entanglement.
Go!
Come get this entanglement, Theon. Peace and welcome. It was Theon. That's who it is. That's who it is.
Look at him. out there eating ramen, smoking a bowl by the pool. Ain't that some shit?
Oh man, he getting ready. He getting ready. All right, you go ahead and put post those documents.
Okay.
But now he trying to say that it was all a scheme, all a scam.
Okay, here we go.
Bro,
Document 1.
We can't believe
Okay.
you know.
We read through this one. So then we go to document 2.
Come get this entanglement.
Comes now the state of Texas by and through its assistant district attorney and moves this honorable court to enter the following bond conditions. State requests that defendant have no contact with the complainant in this case or anyone in the complainant's household, including siblings and parents, in person or through any other person, telephonically, by mail, or by any other manner or means for the duration of this cause, and the following individuals.
That's 4 he broke already.
This is the same one. So that's one he done broke.
No, I'm talking about like down the list, period.
No, that's the first check
mark.
That's
just the first check mark.
Yes. It's just he can't contact her in any way, shape, form, or fashion. You know, it's got to be kind of long for the legalese.
Whole time.
For the duration of this cause, and the following individual, Tanaya Davis, that's golden, right?
Mm-hmm.
State request. Okay, this is the second one. State requests the defendant not possess any firearms, ammunition, or any other weapons.
He's been threatening to shoot Rashad Jamal.
3, state requests the defendant submit to random urinalysis.
I had to fuck that up too. Smoking.
4, state requests the defendant be prohibited from using, possessing, or consuming any alcohol, controlled substance, dangerous drug, or marijuana unless prescribed pursuant to a lawful prescription issued by a medical doctor. State requests the defendant submit to electronic monitoring by signing the contractual agreements and comply with any stipulated curfews and rules. State also requests the defendant be prohibited from the following: contact with CW, GPS monitor with exclusion zone for complainant's resident and place of employment. Respectfully signed, Michael Levine, Assistant District Attorney, Harris County District Attorney's Office.
Damn, he violated.
Yes, and that's
every
only 2 pages. Order on state's motion for bond conditions. On the state's motion for bond conditions was heard, and having considered the motion, it is granted. Therefore, the conditions requested in the motion and detailed herein are ordered as conditions of the defendant's bond. Further, the court has explained the conditions to the defendant, who has affirmatively acknowledged their understanding of these conditions. Conditions granted. So none of these are checked. So that part is blank. So next document.
He said, old Pharaoh coming back. He going to jail.
Okay, so this one ordered that Governor Abbott has declared a state of disaster in all 250 counties in the state of Texas. In response to the imminent threat of the COVID-19 pandemic. So this order issued pursuant to section 22.0035 of the Texas Government Code, subject only to constitutional limitations. All courts in Texas may, in any case, civil or criminal, and must avoid to risk of court staff, parties, attorneys, jurors, and the public without a participant's consent, modify or suspend any and all deadlines and procedures, whether prescribed by statute, rule, or order for a stated period, ending no later than 30 days after the governor's state of disaster has been lifted. Above all, or require anyone involved in any hearing, deposition, or other proceeding of any kind, including but not limited to a party, attorney, witness, or court reporter, but not including a juror, to participate remotely, such as by teleconferencing, video conferencing, or other means. So this doesn't seem to apply to him because the pandemic thing's been lifted in Texas, right? I think this is in here because he got arrested before this was lifted.
Yeah.
So the next document is assault of a family member in the name and by authority of the state of Texas, before me, the undersigned, Assistant District Attorney of Harris County, Texas. This day appeared the undersigned affiant, who under oath says that he has good reason to believe and does believe that in Harris County, Texas, Marshall Daniels, hereafter styled the defendant, heretofore on or about November 2nd, 2021, did then and there unlawfully, intentionally, and knowingly cause bodily injury to Tanaya Davis, hereafter styled the complainant, a member of the defendant's family, by striking the complainant with the defendant's hand. But he say he ain't never hit no woman.
Proof right there. We dropping receipts on this nigga today. Oh yeah, honorable mention. The artist from that Trench Talk song that y'all love so much. My brother just hit me up and he said thanks. He appreciate y'all for the love and support. Especially you, Melanated Agenda.
Okay, on November 24th, 2021, a request that this court issue a magistrate's order for emergency protection against Daniels Marshall, hereafter styled the defendant, was presented to the court. The court finds that on or about November 2nd, 2021, defendant is alleged to have committed the offense of assault of a family member. The court finds that Tanaya Davis are now designated as the protected individual. The court finds the defendant and the victim are biological parents of the same child without regard to marriage. This court finds that the defendant and the protected individual are members of the same family or household or were involved in a dating relationship as defined in Chapter 71 of the Texas Family Code. This court finds that the defendant has been arrested for an offense involving family violence as defined in Chapter 71 of the Texas Family Code, or of an offense under Section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code.
No, I was repeating family violence.
Thereafter, it is hereby ordered, pursuant to Article 17.292 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, that the defendant is prohibited from committing family violence or an assault on the protected individual, committing an act in furtherance of an offense under Section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code involving the protected individual, communicating directly with a member of the family or household or with the protected individual in a threatening or harassing manner, communicating a threat through any person to a member of the family or household of the protected individual, possessing a firearm unless the person is a peace officer as defined by Section 1.07 Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state, agency, or political subdivision, going to or near the residence of a member of the family or household or of the protected individual specifically within 200 feet of the residence, to wit, 24949 Katy Ranch Road, apartment 613, Katy, Texas, or at any address the protected individual may reside. Going to or near the place of employment or business of the protected individual, more specifically within 200 feet of the place of employment, to wit, or at any address the protected individual may be employed, carrying or possessing a firearm until, and it's got a line through it and no date. The defendant is further prohibited from, the district clerk of Harris County, Texas, shall serve a copy of this order to the defendant in open court, and the district clerk of Harris County, Texas, shall send a copy of this order to the protected individual, the sheriff of Harris County, Texas, the child care facility described herein, if any, the school described herein, if any, the Department of Public Safety, if this order suspends the defendant's concealed handgun license. The law enforcement agency holding the defendant shall make a good faith effort to notify the protected individual within 24 hours from the issuance of the order that the order has been issued. A violation of this order by commission of an act prohibited by the order may be punishable by a fine of as much as $4,000 or by confinement in jail for as long as 1 year or both. An act that results in family violence or a stalking offense may be prosecuted as a separate misdemeanor or felony offense. If the act is prosecuted as a separate felony offense, it is punishable by confinement in prison for at least 2 years. The possession of a firearm by a person other than a peace officer as defined by Section 1.07 Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a full-paid as a paid, full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision who is subject to the order may be prosecuted as a separate offense punishable by confinement or prison. No person, including a person who is protected by this order, may give permission to anyone to ignore or violate any provision of this order. During this time in which this order is valid, every provision of this order is in full force and effect unless the court changes the order. To the extent that a condition imposed by this order conflicts with an existing court order granting possession of or access to a child, the condition imposed under this order prevails for the duration of this order. So that means that he couldn't see the kids anyway, because that would have involved seeing Velvet.
Wow.
Yeah, to the extent that a condition imposed by this order conflicts with a condition imposed by an order subsequently issued under Chapter 85, Subtitle B, Title 4 Family Code, or under Title 1 or Title 5 Family Code, the condition imposed by the order issued under the Family Code prevails. To the extent that a condition imposed by this order conflicts with a condition imposed by an order subsequently issued on Chapter 83, Subtitle B, Title 4 Family Code, the condition imposed by this order prevails unless the court issuing the order under Chapter 83 Family Code is informed of the existence of this order and making a finding in the order issued under Chapter 83 Family Code that the court is superseding this order. Yeah, the police don't take lightly to you lying to them to make money off the internet.
Yep.
Okay, state's motion for bond conditions. Okay, hold on, I gotta sneeze. Hey, Valiant. Oh, I hate that it's right there and it won't come out. Comes now the state of Texas by and through its assistant district attorney and moves this honorable court to enter the following bond conditions. State requests the defendant have no contact with the complainant in this case or anyone in complainant's household, including siblings and parents, in person or through any other person, telephonically, by mail, or by any other manner or means for the duration of this cause, and the following individual and or location. Sophia Tovar, Tanaya Davis. So that's her fault. Oh wait, Who is AC Mitchell? Them her fault.
That's the bodyguard.
That's the bodyguard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are people down in Texas. Okay, state requests the defendant not possess any firearms, ammunition, or any other weapons. State requests the defendant submit to random urinalysis. We already read those. Yada, 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 yada. Certificate of electronic pass. So, yeah, and then none of these are checked. So we move on to document 8.
And we might just focus on this and say fuck the rest.
Tiffany M. Hill, attorney and counselor at law. Notice of representation. This is November 24th, 2021. Hey, Marquise. To whom it may concern, please be advised.
Person in here too. I put it up on the thing. There's another person that said hey too.
Yeah, I said hey to Valiant before Marquise came in.
Just making sure. Valiant, what's up, Marquise?
Please be advised that I have retained to represent Mr. Marshall J. Daniels in the above reference cause number. My information is as follows. Should you have any questions, please contact me. Going on to 9. Yeah, that's the old lawyer. So then I think it's in order. I, Daniel Marshall, swear that I appear before the County Criminal Court at Law Court 3. So this is for Tuesday, November 30th, 2021 at 9 a.m. Okay, so it was waived, no fee. Yeah. So that's when he went for a bond hearing. So then we go on to document 10. Statutory warnings by magistrate, probable cause determination. Defendant is accused of a Class A misdemeanor, namely assault family member. Defendant not present on this date and time. The defendant was not present due to it was off docket presentation. And then probable cause finding and order. The court finds the probable cause for further detention exists. The court reviewed and or set defendant's bond as indicated in the bail order below. The court orders defendant committed to the custody of the sheriff of Harris County, Texas, until defendant posts a required bond or until further order of the court. Okay, so summary of the bail hearing. Having found that probable cause exists for the further detention of the defendant, the court next determined the conditions of release for defendant to ensure that defendant will appear and answer before the proper court and to reasonably protect the safety of the community. So, no evidence. Let's see, indigent, determination, and ability to pay. So, bail order, defendant is ordered release on a personal bond in the amount of $100 or until defendant posts the required bond or until further order of the court, and nothing. So, reason for bail and evidence relied upon. I certify that the procedures and findings required by local rule 9 were provided and that I have explained the reasons and evidence relied on for my decision. So there goes his signature, and then we go on to document 11.
We got all the receipts. Hey.
Yeah, when we already went over this one, which is Martina at $2,100, family. At $2,100, $2,100. Did I mention it was $2,100?
Yep.
Okay, and then we go to this order for pretrial supervision and bond conditions. In addition to appearing in court as instructed, the defendant is ordered to comply with the following conditions of release on bond. The defendant will be supervised as followed. So if released on personal bond or unsecured bond, the defendant will be supervised by Harris County Pretrial Services. The defendant will report to the HCPS Defendant Monitoring Division by and comply with the rules on the supervision requirements form and the conditions indicated below until the case is disposed or until the court terminates this supervision. If released on a personal bond, the defendant will pay a personal bond fee, and those are unchecked. Chris, oh, she over there having a dream.
I didn't hear nothing about an ankle monitor yet, so you might not be on it.
I read an ankle monitor like 4 documents ago. Electronic monitoring.
Oh, I did hear that. So he is on an ankle monitor. So that nigga, he must have had Captain Yes Man if he did.
I'm telling you, Captain Yes Man was walking around that house with that ankle monitor on his ankle.
Either he slipped it off and somehow slipped it off and got it on him, or that nigga really didn't go to Costa Rica and he asked to go to one of those national parks.
He died. Okay, if released on surety bond or cash bond, the defendant will be supervised by Harris County Community Supervision and Corrections. The defendant will report in person to the HCCSCD Bond Supervision Unit beginning and thereafter as directed by the supervision officer until the case is disposed or until the court terminates this supervision. If the defendant does not have a current Texas driver's license or other valid official government-issued photo identification, the defendant will pay a $12.50 fee to HCCSCD for an ID card. The defendant will pay to and through HCC a supervision fee of, okay, so there's no supervision fee. So additional conditions, defendant shall personally appear in court on time every time this case is set on the court's docket. Defendant shall commit no crime and shall not engage in any conduct that could result in his or her arrest. And then defendant shall have no contact with the prosecution's witness, the complainants, the victim, specifically Sophia Tovar, Tanaya Davis, Shariah Jackson, AC Mitchell, and the crossing at Katy Ranch apartment complex. Dang. Okay, and then the defendant must not use or possess a firearm. Check this box only if the offense involves an assault, family member, an offense where a weapon has been alleged. And then facts giving rise to probable cause suggest that alcohol was a factor in this offense. Defendant must not use, possess, or consume alcohol. This includes any food, mouthwash, or over-the-counter medication containing alcohol. Defendant is required to submit to GPS monitoring to be installed within 3 calendar days of the defendant's release on bond. Defendant must sign any required agreements comply with all required equipment and maintenance services, and comply with monitoring protocols as instructed by the supervising agency. Defendant will observe an initial curfew from until 7 days per week. Defendant to pay monitoring costs, and that was waived. Other defendant must not use or possess a firearm, ammunition, or other weapons. Failure to abide by these bond conditions may result in the defendant's bond being forfeited or revoked, and the defendant arrested and confined. Wait 1 second. In addition, the court has the authority to oversee the enforcement of its orders, require that proceedings before it be conducted in an orderly and expeditious manner, and to ensure justice is done. Disobeying this order could also constitute contempt, which is punishable by a maximum penalty of a fine of not more than $500, confinement in jail for up to 6 months, or both. Signed by the judge. So say we all go to the next document. Order of pretrial supervision and bond conditions. So this is basically the same thing. Yeah, this is the same thing. No use of firearms, fat speed, alcohol, GPS monitoring, fee was waived, huh?
I say he been making all types of gun threats.
And this is from November 29, 2021, and this one is from November 29, 2021. So then we go here. State's motion for bond condition. We already read this, didn't we? Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
But it's going to be repeats because it's more than one day on order. It's one for A's. It's one for Golden Beauty. Apparently, it's one. Okay, so.
Jail.
So some of these are repeats, but not because they sent the document twice, but because these are the documents for each one of them, and they all look the same because they listed them all on it. And yeah, so next document. The defendant charged with assault family member was released from custody on a personal bond. The defendant is in violation with the court's orders to comply with conditions of bail by failing to comply with the rules of the electronic monitoring program. So this is from February 10th. Okay, so the details of the violation indicated are: defendant has maintained a dead battery since January 31st. Defendant reported to pretrial on 127 because of technical issues due to overcharging battery. Defendant's device was swapped out for a new one, and he was re-instructed on charging. So he basically did what they told him not to do when charging it, and overcharged the bitch and burn it out.
On purpose. On purpose.
And then by the time they come get him, because they gonna call him, and he's like, yeah, such and such happened. Bail revoked and raised to no bond, and alias corpus shall issue for the arrest of the defendant. That was on the 10th of February this year. Okay, so the next one is...
There's no way he's not going to jail.
Oh, wait, it's getting spicy. We got 4 documents left in this motion to withdraw as counsel of record. To the Honorable Judge of said court. Now comes Tiffany M. Hill, movant and attorney of record in the above named and numbered cause, and ask the Honorable Judge of said court to allow attorney to withdraw as counsel of record for the reason stated below. A conflict of interest has arisen that requires counsel to withdraw. Specifically, defendant has expressed that he no longer needs the services of movant. Accordingly, Movant is unable to effectively communicate with defendant regarding his cases. Additionally, defendant has failed to comply with its contractual obligations with Movant. Defendant has shown to this court that the defendant does have sufficient resources to hire an attorney.
He said he's going to start doing reality TV too.
Say what?
I saw that. He said he's going to start doing reality TV. I just saw that. We can get into that after this. You just you keep going.
Prayer. Wherefore, premises considered, movant prays that the court allow Tiffany M. Hill to withdraw as counsel for the defendant and from any further representation of the defendant in the above mentioned causes. Defendant and movement further prays that the motion to withdraw as counsel court appoint counsel to represent defendant in the appeal of this case. So that's from Tiffany Hill, the lawyer. They was okay. So we go to document 17. Did you send these the transcript?
No, I don't got her email.
Yes, you do.
Transcript. Put
Because
the
she
email
sent
in.
you the stuff yesterday.
Oh yeah, she did. She did. Hold on, I got you.
Statutory. You do this while I read that. Statutory warnings by magistrate. Probable cause determination. Okay, so defendant is accused of a Class A misdemeanor. I think I read this one. I admonish defendant as required by Article 15.17. Regarding the nature of the offense and defendant's rights. The defendant was represented by Assistant Public Defender Nicole Amos at the Articles 15.7 hearing and request for appointment of counsel in the county criminal court at law. Defendant requested the court orders pre-trial services to help defendant, if still in custody, prepare the request for counsel, including any paperwork, and forward it to the judge of the court in which the case is pending within 24 hours. Consular notification. I inform defendant, if you are a non-U.S. citizen, you are entitled to have us notify your country's consular representative here in the United States. If you want us to notify your country's consular officials, you can request this notification now or at any time in the future. For some non-U.S. citizens, we are required to notify your country's consular representatives here in the U.S. that you have been arrested or detained. Hey, Shadow. Selena's 334's channel. Peace and welcome. You on mute, Remy.
That's our Charlie's Angel right there.
Thank you so much.
Shout out to Selena.
You are not required. Yes. You are not required to accept their assistance. If mandatory notification applies to you, we will notify your country's consular office officials as soon as possible. Okay, so do you want your country's consular officials to be notified? No. But why is that even checked? Dude is a whole U.S. citizen. Probable cause was previously determined. The court orders defendant committed to the, or it might be one of those where you have to check it, you know, whether it applies to you.
My magazine. Peace and welcome. Selena, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the team.
Okay, probable cause was previously determined. The court orders defendant committed to the custody of the sheriff of Harris County, Texas, until defendant posts the required bond or until further court order of the until further order of the court. Ooh, tongue tied. What document was I on? 17? Yes. Okay, so summary of bailing hearing. Having found that probable cause exists for the further detention of the defendant, the court next determined the conditions of release for defendant to ensure that defendant will appear and answer before the proper court and to reasonably protect the safety of the community. A, evidence. Sigma, peace. Evidence.
Sigma, what's up, bro?
All information I considered in determining bail conditions, including criminal history, was provided to the defense prior to the hearing. Indigence, determination, and ability to pay. Defendant did not swear to and sign a financial affidavit. I cannot determine indigency and ability to pay because defendant did not swear to and sign a financial affidavit, and defendant declined to provide evidence related to indigency and ability to pay during the hearing.
Oh, shit.
Just yeet his ass on the way, Jenny. Personal bond bail request, district attorney request, DA requested denial of bail, defendant's request, personal bond requested in the amount of, and it's blank. And then bail order. The court orders defendant committed to the custody of the sheriff of Harris County, Texas, until defendant posts the required bond or until further order of the court, and defendant must pay $12,500 secured bail to be released. I could not determine indigency and ability to pay because defendant did not swear to and sign a financial affidavit. Defendant declined to provide evidence related to indigency and ability to pay during the hearing. I considered alternative conditions of release, and by clear and convincing evidence, there was no less restrictive condition or combination of conditions that could reasonably prevent flight from prosecution and or reasonably protect the safety of the community. Jenny, I certify that the procedures and findings required by Local Rule 9 were provided, that I have explained the reasons and evidence relied on for my decision to defendant and or counsel. So then we go to, this is 17. So then we go to 18. Bail bond. Known all men by these presents that we, Marshall Daniels or principal and the undersigned, United States Fire Insurance Company, agent Wissam Muharib, as sureties are held and firmly bound unto the state of Texas in the penal sum of 12. What's that?
It was, I clicked the something.
Oh,
I clicked the lag.
In the penal sum of $12,500. And in addition thereto, we are bound for the payment of all fees and expenses that may be incurred by any peace officer in rearresting the said principal in the event any of the hereinafter stated conditions of this bond are violated. For the payment of which sum or sums well and truly to be made, we do bind ourselves, and each of us, our heirs, executors, and administrators, jointly and severely. The condition of this bond is that the defendant has been charged with a misdemeanor offense, and to secure his release from custody is entering into this obligation, binding him to appear before 1201 Franklin, Houston, Texas, Harris County Criminal Court 3. Hold on. I need my inhaler. Oh, that one's about out.
Oh, Lord. You need that.
Huh?
I said, you know you need that. You don't want to have an asthma attack in the middle of the live.
That pollen count high.
They've been saying that a lot lately.
I'm going to be saying that till the pollen go away.
Did you
Besides the Bible, I read the book of Claritin and Zyrtec religiously. But yeah, it only take the edge off.
You heard me?
Huh?
I said, you see what I wrote in the back chat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, so now therefore, if the said principal shall well and truly make his personal appearance before said court instanter, as well as before any other court to which the same may be transferred, yes, shout out the Flonase, to which the same may be transferred, and for any and all subsequent proceedings that may be had relative to said charge in the course of criminal actions based on said charge, and there remain from day to day and term to term of said courts until discharged by due course of law, then and there to answer said accusation against him, this obligation shall become void, otherwise to remain in full force and effect. Taken and approved this March 3rd, 2022, signed and dated March 3rd, 2022. I wouldn't exactly call that a signature, but yeah. The defendant shall not have any contact with the prosecution's witnesses, the complainants, or the alleged victim. March 4th, 2022. Oath of sureties that the state of Texas, County of Harris, United States Fire Insurance Company. Who the fuck is that?
Well, what happened?
I'm looking for something.
You said that's your birthday?
Okay, United States Fire Insurance Company, a Crum and Foster company, is a forward-thinking company specializing in unique products for diverse client solutions. They offer a complete suite of Medicare supplement plans, including Plan L. What the fuck?
What?
What did he and Tyel? Weirder and weirder every day. Which page am I on? 18. Okay. Do swear that we are worth in our own right at least double the amount of the sum for which we are bound, exclusive of all property exempted by law from execution and of debts or other encumbrances, that we are residences of the state of Texas and I have property in the state of Texas liable to execution worth this sum for which I am bound. And that's that Wissam Muhari guy. Muharib. WISAM. Access bail bonds. That's why the fuck. Hold the fucking phone. Why that look like he in the ER?
Who?
With Sam Muhari. Who does look like to you? Why that look like that could be his brother or his cousin? Or am I tripping?
Butt face.
Say what?
With the smooth butt face.
Pull up a picture of ER.
Hold up.
Because you know what ER do, right?
That's the only one I got on hand.
He'll know the Republic. Now go back, look at him, and then look at that dude, and tell me they don't look like they related.
Yeah, that's why I said with the smooth butt face.
Mm-hmm.
That dude look like it could be his brother or his cousin. One or the other.
Jaded.
That's what cousin.
Okay, so now let's go back to the document.
He said that's what cousin. Why? Oh man.
Okay. Okay, that's the power of attorney. Amber alert. Missing in the line of duty. What the fuck? That's what I get for clicking on shit so fast. Okay, so this is the power of attorney that's used for bail bondsmen only. So we go to document 19 and then request an order for appointment of waiver of counsel. This is from March 4th. My name is Daniels Marshalls. I am, it doesn't either check one or the other. Today, the judge presiding advised me of my right to be represented by a lawyer. Okay, so none of this up here is chat. So order determining right to appoint of counsel. Little buddy live right now and Light say,
yep, I was going to say he live right now too.
What are you talking about?
I'm about to find out. Hold on, let me mute my mic.
Now, the court finds the defendant indigent. The court further finds defendant is not financially able to pay all or part of the cost of legal fees and related expenses. The court further finds there is no conflict preventing the public defender from representing defendant. The court appoints the attorney named below to represent the defendant until charges are dismissed, defendant is acquitted, judgment is entered, and sentence pronounced, or the attorney is relieved of his duty by the court. Huh?
He went live for 12 minutes.
Talking about what this time?
I'm about to find.
Okay. Is relieved of his duties by the court or replaced by other counsel. And none of this is checked, so that's not relevant. Judge presiding, boom, bang. That's from March 4th, 2022. Last document. Let's get it. Notice of next court date. And we read that one already. It's June the 29th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. at the Criminal Justice Center, court number 003. He talking about the chill. Setting reason, motion, required appearance not waived. Okay, so important information about your court date. We already went through all that. La da da da. And we're done. From November of last year to March of the beginning of the month this year, Marquise. Oh, you got the something steak face round. You muted. You're muted, little buddy.
We about to play. You done with the documents? We about to play.
Yeah, that was the last one.
Man, he trying to go at the CNN bald headed dude from CNN. Bald head black dude. Oh my God, this nigga. We might not even get to the other topics because we might just play on this nigga for the rest of the fucking night.
That's hella weird that ER running around here talking about he knows Pharaoh, and then the dude that bonds Pharaoh out looked like he could be his big brother. Kelly, hey, how you doing, bud?
He might have been telling the truth.
And I mean, weird names go together, right?
They might know each other. They might know each other.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Marquise.
He might know him. What in the
you
butt?
Got to hit the music real quick, Ram. We need a break, or at least I do after reading the damn document. Hey, yo, Selene, if you ever run across anything for Eugene, hit me up. You can send it to Remy and he'll shoot it right to me.
Yep. If you ever find anything on Polite, shoot it to me and I'll shoot it right to her because that's she the Polite. I already told her.
Eugene don't. Like Gorilla Glue on old girl head when she had to go to the hospital.
That shit was on there thick. Then she tried to sue. Bitch,
you know, Eugene documents is scarce. You had time today.
I'm glad you did.
You for having time.
Yep. Shout out to you. And they got welcome to the team, my aunt. Welcome to the fraud department.
Yes. We
All
can't
right,
call you a secret angel because you here, but you know,
I think he's high again. I mean to cut you off. I think he's high again.
Probably he out there spazzing.
His motions.
If you ever have time again, just remember Michael Nowak in Miami-Dade County Court.
Thanks. I think he high today. Look at his motions. I think he just snorted a whole.
He was on that other video.
No, look at this shit. He just snorted a whole script.
Do we really want to watch him spaz out again? I mean, it ain't fun unless he's seeing transdimensional beings and shit.
Oh,
my bad. You know, I thought you was lifting your cup, but it was already. You was lifting your cup, but it was already coming out.
The first thing that came to mind, I was watching Night and Day Network. Did you see the reptilian that they put on his joint, making fun of me?
You know, I be busy. I don't have time to watch a lot of videos for just watching them.
Oh man.
You know, I have to collate and cultivate, and I've been arranging all my folders on top of everything else. So it's a tie. Nose running like a track star. Tap, tap, tap. Sniff, sniff, sniff.
Hold on. They put a whole reptilian on the joint. You could tell they was making fun of him. There it is.
Today we got time, cuz.
Uh-huh.
Y'all never told me what y'all want to talk about tonight. Or we having another chill session. I don't mind that neither. I'll be getting my folders memorized, organized while we be chilling.
They put a whole lizard next to this, man.
And then the lizard looks a little bit questionable. Put that thermos down.
Oh man. All right. Let's just listen to this a couple seconds of this. I just want y'all to see the motions. Then we gonna get into our next subject. We already almost 2 hours in.
I'm coming.
I want to wear to know. Every time I see that nigga, it just make me think of it's raining, man.
That Leonardo DiCaprio redo Romeo and Juliet. Romeo must old boy in the white, and let's dance, and let's dance, and let's dance, the last dance tonight.
Making that twerking video that he did.
Now his name is that clean.
Oh shit. All right. I just want y'all to see this nigga tweak out a little bit.
It's the General Froze. I'm sorry. I was sleeping peacefully in my backyard.
He was sleeping in the backyard.
I was sleeping peacefully in my backyard, but I just want to say
in his tent.
Because I'm getting ready to go in a Star Wars movie in Hollywood.
Sleeping in the tent. Let me just play the talk about him going to the Star Wars movie.
Just leaving. We can start all the GoFundMes we want to. The question is, when we get them for him, is he gonna wear them?
The reality of black folks had to improve under President Joe Biden during a segment of CNN's New Day. But remember when I did the lecture a minute ago and I exposed how he was crying when Joe Biden got elected? Y'all remember when I did that, right? Hold on, wait a minute.
Day-to-day reality for black folks hasn't improved. In fact, because inflation and other things have gotten worse. And so you're starting to see that disappointment factor set in. Do you think it will change?
Look at him start twitching.
Well, I think that it may well. Also, don't forget, you have had a concerted effort on the part of conservatives
what he's saying
to recast Republican Party as a party of the multiracial working class.
That's what he's saying now. That's what he's saying now. But what about when I exposed what he was saying then? What about that? Hold on. It's from November 2nd, 2020. Remember, I exposed this shit in 2020.
You were just sleeping?
It's
no, nigga, you was back in the yard snorting a script of Adderall and an 8-ball of coke.
It's easier to tell your kids character matters. It matters. Tell them the truth matters.
This nigga crying?
Matters.
Who crying?
And it's easier for a whole lot of people. If you're Muslim,
I know this big black bald nigga ain't on national TV crying.
That's trendy now.
Yeah.
Gonna end up a meme.
Caught him right in the middle of it too. I caught him right in the middle of it.
Yeah, you right.
Nobody see that?
You right
in the middle of that
wrong song.
Caught him right in the middle of that sniff. Look, it light and see it. Look, right in the middle of it.
Man, stop the backyard. He ain't got no tent. I'll be right back.
He was passed out the backyard. Got him right in the middle of that sniff.
You don't have to worry if the president doesn't want you here. If you're Muslim in this country, you don't have to worry if the president
Look at him.
If you're
nigga, you in Texas.
Country, you don't have to worry if the president doesn't want you here. If you're an immigrant, you don't have to worry if the president's going to be happy to have babies snatched away, send dreamers back for no reason.
This big nigga crying on TV.
For a lot of people
his ratings went through the roof after this.
You know, I can't breathe. You know, that wasn't just George Floyd. That was a lot of people that felt they couldn't breathe.
Okay.
Every day you're waking up, you're getting these tweets and you just don't know. And you go into the store and people who have been afraid to show their racism getting nastier and nastier to you, and you're worried about your kids, and you're worried about your sister.
Okay, I see where he's coming
and she
from
just
now.
go to Walmart and get back
this
into
ain't
her
funny
car
no more
without somebody saying something to her. And you spend so much of your life energy just trying to hold it together. And this is a big deal.
Brand new football head ass.
And have a chance for a reset. And the character of the country matters. And being
Go ahead, pick them.
Like, you know, I just want my son
pick
to look at this.
Them crumbs out your nose.
You know, it's easy to do it the cheap way and get away with stuff, but it comes back around.
Hold on, pause. Is that the light, or does he have something on his nose, like on the tip of his nose? It could be the light.
That's the light, but it looked like he was doing the Genie Little Spoon. Peace, family. It's the general.
I'm sorry for the people who lost. For them, it's not a good.
He did all that goddamn crying back then, but now we talk.
It looked like he did one of those. Peace, family. It's the general.
About ain't nothing getting done. But now they talking about is that he should go into Tyler Perry. Now they talking about ain't nothing getting done. Back then, huffling and snuffling, and I don't know why you was crying like that anyway. I don't know why you was crying like that for another man anyway. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know. But now you talking about he ain't getting nothing done. But when he got elected, you had a long ass list of
got the jitters.
You would have thought he was goddamn electing goddamn Captain motherfucking America. You would have thought this was about to be our goddamn president.
Sniff.
The way he fucking crying, hold up. Captain Guile, Street Fighter. You would have thought this motherfucker was about to goddamn be the goddamn motherfucking president. You would have thought this was about to be the goddamn motherfucking president. Goddamn
you got the nerve to sit there and laugh at somebody.
Man, they was about to be the goddamn president. You hear that motherfucker
sniffing Ajax off the bathroom counter.
That shit crazy. That's all I'm gonna say.
He got the nerve to be talking about somebody the way he been crying over Martina, Golden Beauty, Josh Netter.
I've been talking about a lot of shit. I've been brought a lot of shit up. You feel me? I don't know what y'all want me to tell y'all.
Hold on. We got one more.
That's all
we got one more Pharaoh joint that we're gonna make light of, and then we're gonna skip on to we're gonna get on to the next subject because we're running out of time. Now, remember, I dropped this video earlier. I don't know if everybody saw it. Now, remember when he was on Night and Day News and he was talking about the murders that he caught, them supposed murders that he caught. Well, I guess the nigga forgot what he said. I guess he forgot what he said. Hold on.
I don't know why.
I guess the nigga forgot what he said because he jumped back on the motherfucker. Selena, peace and welcome. Yeah, I wish he would stop that.
Hey, Selena.
Wish he would. That's when you know he lying though, because he get the whatchamacallit. I guess he forgot what he said about that and Martina. I guess he forgot his own words. See, if you're going to lie on YouTube, I say this all the time. I used to say this all the time. If you let these niggas talk long enough, they tell on themselves.
With UFC fighters, I don't know why niggas is playing on my top. I don't know why niggas is playing on my top like I won't beat the fuck out of one of y'all niggas. And then niggas is on the internet talking about they gonna kill my kids. Nigga, I already got homicides. I had homicides under my belt since I was 15. By the time I was 16, I already had killed 4 niggas. And I apologize to my community. I don't feel good about it. That's why I changed my life.
Oh, it's done went from 15 back to 4.
I'm in Buffalo.
No, he's gonna jump from 4 to 15.
Family, I'm not bragging about it, but you can look it up. His name was Montel Boner. I killed him on
now listen to the name.
With a shotgun with a military style.
First time it was me.
In the chin and it hit the 33rd vertebrae and caused automatic death. Nigga, my dad was in the Navy. I'm already up 15 kills. I've been clapping shit since I was a kid. So like I said, niggas talking that tough shit. I tell niggas drop the addy. They don't want to drop the addy. Nigga, I got real homicides under my belt.
Fam, it ain't even worth catching a body over
Cap City.
Wait a minute.
I
think I was genuinely fucking with Shorty, and you know what I'm saying. A lot of things came out of my mouth when I was drunk. I didn't mean to say. One of them was that I killed somebody on the internet. The person I killed name was Montel Boner. He's from Bailey. He from
now. Am I missing something? This was like 2-3 days ago, right? So you saying you was high and you was drugged when you just said this shit 2-3 days ago? Listen, family.
I said my heart goes out to the family. I'm not bragging about it, but you can look it up. His name was Montel Boner. I killed him on Bailey and Stockbridge with a shotgun with a military style kill called a cross kill. When you hit somebody in the chin.
No, this was 2-3 days ago. He said gotta be 2023.
I'm already up 15 kills. I've been clapping shit since I was a kid. So like I said, niggas talking that tough shit. I tell niggas drop the addy. They don't want to drop the addy. Nigga, I got real homicides under my belt.
Fam, it ain't even worth catching a body over some internet shit, man.
Wait a minute.
Yo, followers ain't gonna catch that shit.
I think I was genuinely fucking with Shorty, and you know what I'm saying? A lot of things came out of my mouth when I was drugged. I didn't mean to say. One of them was that I killed somebody on the internet. The person that I said I killed name was Montel Boner. He's from Bailey. He's from Martina Hood. Yeah. It's the gentleman, bro.
Then he gonna switch his story up about Martina.
Why me and Martina Divine broke up. You feel me now? She upset with me because I destroyed my car in front of her house because, you know what I'm saying, Golden at the time was playing with the kid.
He said they broke up because he destroyed the car in front of her house. What fucking sense does that make? He didn't destroy her car. He destroyed his car. And like always, it's Golden Beauty fault. Now watch how his story switch up again. Oh man, this nigga is crazy.
And I got so frustrated. You feel what I'm saying? From her saying she's gonna bring the kids, and on the day she's supposed to bring the kids, she never get on the flight, never bring the kids. I got so frustrated, I just destroyed my car. So it's in the shop. It's on the way back. As y'all can see, y'all ain't see. Wait a minute. My nigga Quad next his shit on the way too. Oh my god. Oh my. Wait a minute.
First of all, what the fuck is a military style kill called a cross kill, where I shoot the nigga in the chin in his 33rd vertebrae? Ain't that the vertebrae he said the aliens adjusted?
Wait a minute, I'm not gonna, cause y'all niggas be, oh my god, gold chain magic seal. We got.
So he didn't bought that chain back out the pawn shop that he pawned it in.
Off on it. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyway,
you got
my car
with the expenses we just saw, nigga. You shouldn't be worried about buying no motherfucking chain, nigga. You should be worried about not being homeless by the end of the year.
Her house. Feel me? Nobody was in, just my property. You feel me? I paid for it. She went home. The kids went home. I never, violated while the kids was home.
Exactly.
But that's what happened.
None.
Saying she was doing this, that, and the third behind my back.
Professional.
I don't know. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know.
K-Live, peace and welcome.
I'm grateful for her the same way I'm grateful for my cousin. I don't know my state of mind. If they wasn't here,
drop that Eddie.
So, you know what I'm saying?
No, he talking about what young Pharaoh said. Drop the Eddie.
Let me get my mind back right.
Oh, the last two things on his stories on IG, he talking about, remember when Nature Boy said he was gonna rape me?
Yeah, he did say that. No. I will fucking rape you. I'll make you my bitch. Ooh.
And he said some other mess too. He said, drop that Eddie, I'll pull it up.
Mm-hmm. I don't die. Somebody tell me he gonna rape me. Fuck dropping the Addy. Stay the fuck away from me.
Yes, that being said, I love y'all.
I'll pull it up.
Wait a minute. I want to say this. My credit is still messed up because I was scammed. You feel me? I'm gonna keep it a buck. When I was doing
Gold Beauty definitely turned in.
Whatever name y'all want to call it by.
It wasn't Gold Beauty. It was the drugs.
And to get my credit
linked up, Pharaoh turned him crazy. He had no supervision for the first time in a long time and lost his ever-loving mind.
When he realized that Golden Beauty didn't need him no more, that's what drove his ass crazy.
Atlanta, some black woman out of Atlanta, and not only did none of that shit never go on
now,
my credit,
now Martina scammed
job. You feel me?
We've been telling you that,
I don't know if it was a scam. I don't know if she was acting like she was really upset and she wasn't upset. Or if she was genuinely mad, Shorty ain't do her job. But like I said, I paid at least 5 bands, at least 5,000 to get my credit straight. So I just want to say this. You know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all say, y'all say that she was still fucking with her baby. Whatever y'all say about her behavior, I don't know. Like I said, I was drugged. Look at me, I got weed up in this motherfucker.
Yeah, he was drugged, all right. He drugged himself.
So he trying to say the whole time he was with Martina, he was drugged.
Wait a minute.
No,
you trying to say
you can't excuse that misbehavior by saying Martina drugged you. Martina wasn't even there. You was high.
He was saying pretty much all this year he was drugged. He said when he accused Golden Beauty brother or molesting her, he was drugged. When he said that shit to her mom and dad, he was drugged. Bro, the drug incident, this right here that we're looking at, this was like a year ago. I don't know no drugs that last that long.
So they be sitting on the counter in a plastic bag, see through a transparent plastic bag. And he, the nigga even offered me some shit. I was like, man, I don't fuck with that shit, bro. What do you say? You want some shrooms? Hey, yeah, just like that.
Shadow, you funny as shit.
Some shrooms in this bitch.
Gold Beauty drugged him with ayahuasca.
Shrooms up in this bitch. Shrooms up in this bitch. Shrooms up in this bitch. Shrooms.
Shout out to Josh Netter and Healer Within for dropping this footage.
That's all. This is what Young Pharaoh was about. Maybe you will see me do a shrooms. Maybe you will see me do a shrooms. Maybe you will see me do a shrooms. Because yes, y'all, I do shrooms now, so what? Because yes, y'all, I do shrooms now, so what?
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
I had to add that.
I do cocaine.
All right, so we're gonna get on into our next two topics because they're very short. So what we got? What was the next one?
I don't know.
What do you want down for it?
It's 8:51.
What time you planning on going live?
When you get off. I took me a nappy nap.
I'm gonna skip the DJ Academics, John. Because does anybody even give a fuck about DJ listening to DJ Academics? No.
What did he do?
He said some shit about people, Whack 100, and how everybody on Clubhouse has like a IQ of 30. Ooh. And they basically all yes men. And they questioned him about it, and he didn't back down.
Mm.
And the other thing was, I was going to show Bullet Stotty showing up, but we can skip that.
Again?
No, I was going to replay just if he showed up, but we can skip
No, I'm
that.
saying he showed up again. Oh, big and still.
Nah, he ain't going to show up
Hassan,
no more.
Hassan, what? What?
What? You what? You what? And I was going to get into him and Rashad Jamal beef.
Mm.
I was going to play a Conscious Community video, his recap on why they were beefing.
Well, do it then.
All right. Where's that video? So y'all want a Rashad Jamal thing or the Conscious Community? Put a 1 in the chat for him and Rashad Jamal beef. Put a 2 in the chat for the DJ Academics growing the backbone.
Excuse me.
Play the Rashad Jamal video. Okay. It's unanimous so far.
Mm.
Shout out to the Conscious Community.
As you see, a few months
ago, dropping this video because he broke it down in the most simplest way. So shout out to the Conscious Community. He said 2, 1 and 2. Okay, we could do both. 3. Shadow, you asshole. We could do both. And the Bullet Stotty. The Bullet Stotty is a split second, so we might have some time for that too. So shout out to the Conscious Community for dropping this. This is like a simplest breakdown I've seen of the beef.
ago, we remember there was a little debacle between Young Pharaoh and Rashad Jamal. As you see here, we have Rashad Jamal. He was doing a IG live stream and he commented on one of Young Pharaoh's posts. He said, "We can't let up. Our people need us," essentially. So something positive and uplifting.
This is very inconsistent.
I'll read
with
to you
what
what Young
Pharaoh
Pharaoh replied with right here. "There is no we. I seen you talking down on me before, saying you're better than me, etc.
I'm them 1,000 times more powerful than Young Pharaoh.
It don't have to be any beef, but stay in your lane. I'm gonna stay in mine. 100 emoji.
You're not on my level. Any nigga that think they on my level, do what I'm doing. You can't. Y'all niggas is some clout chasey ass, whack ass niggas, man.
Who really trying to gain clout, right? So
get on your level. What you mean, like scam the community?
I get right in this inbox like, why we gotta go live for? I'm not doing this shit for no clout. I don't need none of y'all and me and his business. Me and him could talk to get to the bottom of the shit. I'm willing to get to the bottom of the shit. So if you trying to talk, we can have a one-on-one.
I just want to put something on the record real quick. I don't really know what kind of shit y'all niggas is used to. I don't know what kind of niggas y'all used to dealing with, where y'all could be disrespecting motherfuckers and tap dancing for motherfuckers. I'm not that kind of nigga, dog. So I'm gonna just let y'all know, I'm not going back and forth with nobody on the internet. I'm gonna make a mental note, and when I see you, I'm gonna knock your ass out. That's just where we going with it. So my main thing is, I'm not gonna argue with a nigga on the internet. I'm gonna pull up and beat your ass. That's how I'm rocking. That's what it is. And I'm not on parole no more. So anything too tough, I have me on the flight, and I'll come beat your ass on this Instagram live. So I just want to let niggas know we not doing that, dog. We not doing that.
Why does he want everybody to incriminate themselves?
Y'all niggas gotta do is hit him up. You goofy ass nigga. I shouldn't even ever fuck with you. I fucked with you because I wasn't buying into the shit the internet was saying about your goofy ass nigga.
You a bitch. You a bitch, nigga. I know a bitch when I see one. You a bitch. And you pick it. I don't pick and choose my battles. I fight battles that I might not even be able to win. Because if it
you do, because you keep skipping over me like you don't see me. You pick and choose your battles. You keep fucking with somebody who ain't paying you no more fucking mind. Why don't you pay some attention to a nigga that's gonna reciprocate that energy? Because you pick and choose your battles.
Choose me.
There's a whole lot of other niggas out there like me that's speaking out on you.
If I ever had an issue with your whole ass, I would have told you. And now what I do is fuck you, nigga. You see me in traffic, nigga, do what you gotta do. Fuck out of here, because on my end, you the ops now.
Here's an update. Today, young Pharaoh tagged Rashad Jamal in an Instagram story. Let's watch the clip.
I am Rashad Jamal. You started beef with me on the internet, and you threatened my family for clout. Apologize right now, or you a play.
Or you a play.
I'll play with you. I'll blow your fucking brains out.
I'll snap your motherfucking neck with my bare hands, nigga.
I'm sorry, but this nigga look crazy. I'm sorry. I know what a deranged nigga. When I see one, look at that nigga face. He said, "I'll snap your neck with my bare hands, nigga." Eyes got all cocked like a pistol.
You threaten my family. I'm not playing with you. I don't know you like that. Apologize. But when I see you, have your fucking gun. Don't ever threaten my kids.
Have your gun.
I'm killing kids, they kids and all, nigga. Then you bitch ass niggas want to get on my life. He just said, you got that right, I'm gonna kill the kids, nigga.
Oh
it's
shit,
war,
he did
nigga.
say that? He did say it. Oh yeah, he did say that.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. You sending marshals, nigga. You make a case, nigga. It's war with me. I ain't honoring shit, nigga.
You said you would kill my
Oh, he was tripping for that.
I never said nothing bad about you. Look, everybody in the comments said, everybody in the comments will confirm. Bro, you threatened me and said you would kill my family for clout. And you
He was tripping for that.
DMs, nigga. And you been sliding my baby hot DMs.
Man, y'all better go get that little silly ass kid. Tell him to stay the fuck away from me. He better go add his baby mama. He better go come on. I could have fucked your baby mama, nigga. I could have jumped all up in her ear, nigga, and started trying to be on some bullshit, nigga. No, I didn't, nigga. Your baby mama reached out to me, nigga, and then I responded back to her, nigga.
You a plate, nigga. I don't give a fuck. We're watching this live. You a plate. You threatened my family. You threatened me. And you slid her DMs.
Yep. Both of them tripping. Kill the kids? OTEP clowns.
You threatened my family and you threatened my kids, nigga. That's a declaration of war. What's up, Dave? I nation gang, nigga.
Rashad Jamal later went live on Instagram to respond to what happened.
Nigga just tagged me. There we go again, tagging me. 1:30 p.m. He tagged me. Y'all ain't heard me say nothing about him. Matter of fact, last time I spoke about him, I was being positive.
During Rashad Jamal's live stream, he asked the supporters to tag young Pharaoh in the comments and to send him the live stream. Rashad Jamal's intention.
These niggas both lying.
Young Pharaoh and him to talk about everything on live.
You might be on a positive vibration. You know what I'm saying? You get on here with some clown shit, I'm kicking you.
What's good?
What's good? What's good, guy?
Listen, ain't no God nothing. You said you're gonna kill my family, you're gonna kill my kids. Don't make it hot. Listen, don't make it hot.
How you gonna say don't make it hot and just drop the ad? Talk about drop the ad.
But I'm gonna let you know I'm taking that seriously.
Try to get him to dox himself.
Let me get this out.
Make sure y'all hitting that like button as you come in,
We can
family.
delete this line. We ain't gotta make it hot. Just drop your addy in my DM, and I'm coming to hit you.
Okay. Now
This nigga really put his grills on to argue with another nigga. What the fuck? You trying to get pretty for him? He got his hair did and everything.
Can I say something to you?
I don't want to be friends. I don't
Can
want no cop out. No
Can I
cop
say
out.
something to you?
No cop out. Drop your addy. Drop your
No cop out.
addy.
Hey,
Drop your addy. Drop your addy.
You gotta fight it, man.
Drop your addy.
You gotta fight it, man.
Drop your addy, nigga.
You gotta fight
Drop
it,
the
man.
addy.
You hear me?
Drop the addy.
Got
I'm coming to
something?
blast you. Drop
He
the
said you gotta fight me.
No, don't ask me shit.
You want me to click you back out?
Look at the veins in his head.
I ain't doing
You want to do my Drop the addy.
Hey, you're
Look at the veins in his head.
Drop the addy, nigga.
So
I'm on my way now.
You
drop
said
the Addy, and I'm on my way now.
I gotta let him get his.
Drop the Addy. Drop that Addy, nigga.
So
drop that Addy.
Let me ask you something.
Drop that Addy, nigga.
Can I ask you something?
Drop that Addy, nigga. Drop that Addy.
I thought you said you stayed calm, man.
Drop the Addy, bro. I don't want to talk to you.
You know the people don't want to see this.
You know the people don't want to see this. If you're not gonna drop the Addy,
look, man. Drop the Addy. Look, man. You see how they got him, y'all? They got him all outside of himself, man. And that ain't cool, y'all. I had to cut him out, man. They got him
just let himself look like a fucking fool.
And I'm not gonna laugh at him or nothing. You know, this is my live. I'm pulling him on here, y'all. So it ain't like he made himself get on here. I'm pulling him on here. I'm hoping that he could fight it, man, but he can't, man. That's crazy, man. I want YP back, man. I want him back.
Oh, don't cop out now, nigga. Don't cop out now. Talk about I want YP back. Nah, nigga, you said you was gonna kill that nigga kids. You can't cop out now.
Our friends at Manscaped are.
You can't cop out now. You cannot cop out.
But you know, half this stuff be scripted.
Yeah, it looked like it. I don't know. This nigga, he dropped the Addy. He just want to eat. Why does he want other niggas to incriminate him? And Hassan Campbell do the same shit.
Then you see what he was saying then. I want your Pharaoh, baby.
Yeah, but they want niggas to incriminate themselves or dox themselves. They talk about we could delete the live like motherfuckers ain't sitting there recording it. The stupidest shit I've ever seen in my goddamn life. Two fucking idiots.
Respecting motherfuckers.
Two fucking idiots. I found another video. Rashad Jamal responds one last time that he did like 10 days ago. He speaks out on everybody that he's supposedly beefing with.
That's going on right now. You see what half of everybody's saying.
Yeah, they both losing interest of the people acting all retarded like that.
Because it's scripted. Everybody can see that it's a setup.
Yep.
No, ain't nobody finna be sitting up there talking reckless like that. Because soon as the folk come swooping down, they all say, "Well, we was acting."
Exactly.
All right. Nobody screen recorded that and posted that to YouTube. But I'm not even gonna say his name. You know what I'm saying? I see a video. Matter of fact, fuck it, I'm gonna say his name, nigga.
Damn, I thought I needed to get my hair done.
Man, y'all, because I got so much I want to say, and I'm trying to figure out how to say it, man.
You ever see somebody shit so nappy make you touch your own shit? Like, ooh, do I need to get my shit done? Make you check your own shit. Oh, wait, let me make sure my shit all lined up.
Man, it's like I'm really too real for the internet. Like, bro, I ain't did nothing to nobody, bro. Like, if you really want to think about it, bro, I don't know.
For the internet, y'all.
I don't know none of these people I've ever named, bro. But I've showed them guys nothing but respect. Forget what's going on right now. Like, if you how y'all
gonna he said he gonna
clown me though,
kill Rashad Jamal and go to ATEN Nation, ATEN Spoon University,
and y'all not reposting my videos.
He going to the spoon.
I built the university up on my own, bro. Even when people start trying to compare me to YP, I don't even know why y'all ever compared us. We not the same, G. We from two different places.
This how so-called woke people act, right?
Neuromelanated beings. But other than that, me and Marshall ain't got nothing in common, bro. Like, Marshall Daniels is Marshall Daniels. Rashad Jamal is Rashad Jamal. You know what I'm saying? Like I always said, man, when I first got online, man, I had nothing but respect for what Marshall did for the community.
I did
I gave
too.
that young brother his respect from day one. I never
have respect for him too.
Made videos about Marshall, YP. I never made videos
not anymore.
I didn't build my audience off making videos about him. If I got on the internet and I built my audience off making videos about other intellects, that'd be different, bro. Bro, I'm in my own lane, God. You feel me? I'm in my own lane, God. I ain't coming here getting in nobody lane. You feel me? I started on Facebook, bro. I wasn't even on YouTube. You feel me? Facebook kicked me off Facebook, and that's how we even got to Instagram and YouTube. You know what I'm saying? But everybody seem to forget that, you know. But and like y'all do all this screen recording, and I'm just starting to realize like that I'm wasting my energy. So I'm finna remove myself. I'm finna do the same thing Foster eBay did. I'm removing myself from the internet, bro. Y'all had internet, bro. I'm gonna still be on my website. I'm gonna stick it on YouTube every Sunday. But all this going live on Instagram, I'm done with it, G, because y'all fake, bro. Like I'm tired of people only.
Stop lying, nigga. They not paying y'all on Instagram no more. What? These niggas
Real
be
hoteps don't wear lotion. Didn't you know real hoteps don't need driver's licenses? Real hoteps don't wear lotion.
Yeah, how you gonna try to lie? They say I ain't going because y'all waste my dog, nigga. They not paying y'all no more for that shit or Instagram. Everybody fucking stupid.
Chopping up certain parts, you know what I'm saying, of what I'm saying. Nobody's telling the full story. I don't like that. Then it becomes an internet thing back and forth, man. Like I say, let me tell you why I'm at with it and why I feel this way, man. My only thing I come to do is enlighten and inform. I've went out my way getting on the internet, the most consistent individual since I got on the internet teaching. I took attacks from Facebook and Instagram right out the gate. I never attacked Marshall. The shit he had going on, I never attacked.
Right, nigga, you lying. I don't want to hear this bullshit no more. Let's get into this academics. I don't want to hear you lying no more. These niggas is lying. You lying his fucking ass off. You talking about you was gonna kill that nigga kids. I love how these niggas be saying one thing and then try to lie.
It's a new video from Immortal Morals. Eligio celebrates his B-Day in a cell. Gagu says CN reporters are lying. So Gagu hops on his IG Live to announce he'll be speaking to Nature Boy really soon and will allow Black Velvet to join the three-way call to ask specific questions. Gagu and Nature Boy are saying everything that's being said is a lie. Nature Boy records his life and goes live for the world to see how he treats his cult members. From what we've seen with our own eyes, is physical, mental, and emotional abuse daily. Yeah.
Breathe. These niggas just be talking dumb shit. They'll say anything to sound deep, even if it don't make no fucking sense.
Gagu said was that Gagu Nature Boy saying everything that's being said right now is a lie.
What? Nigga.
Yeah.
I don't want no fucking chain. Don't want no fucking chain. God damn it. All right, let's get into this academics, and then we gonna close this thing out. I think the academics joint is only like 10, 15 minutes. Oh, it's 30 minutes. So what happened was academics said he was basically giving Wack his props while insulting the yes men around him, well, as he should. It's nothing. If you listen to Wack 100 rooms, it's nothing but a bunch of fucking yes men. Bunch of fucking yes men. And Ack says something about it, so they question him about it, and he actually grows a backbone.
I know Chig was in here recording some shit.
No Chig. To conspire to commit a crime, and it must be shown that there was overt act, and an overt act is essentially some demonstration that there was something more than just the intention in the mind to commit the crime. So making a statement or calling a shot, as you say, would be in this situation the overt act itself, thereby proving conspiracy. However,
not all stuttering his ass off though.
End up having a 5K1 letter because not all witnesses offer substantial assistance to the government because it's not always necessary. Sometimes witnesses that are ahead of them provide all the.
You talk about Jim Jones and Hassan Campbell,
the people that they are convicting. So the ones that cooperate, that don't provide substantial assistance, don't always end up with a 5K1 letter, and those records remain sealed. So it's important to bear in mind that an absence of evidence is not evidence of absence.
Answer me, so IQ sound high as fuck.
He said her IQ sound high as fuck.
So do you think
he said everybody got a 30 IQ?
Someone who he can't even prove got his only proof is this wiretap. He can't prove that this guy got indicted, got charged, whether secretly or not. Whether it's
my only proof is a wiretap. Did you just say that?
Wax.
But respectfully, and good night, by the way, I do want to say, to answer your question, yes, I do think it's fair of him to say that.
See,
it's
a bunch of fucking yes men.
You got an IQ of 30 when it comes to criminal shit.
I'm talking as a lawyer.
Criminal all my life. Don't talk to me about crime, Act. You a square. You ain't get a day in jail, bro. Cut that shit out.
Whack. It doesn't matter.
Talking to me about crime is like me talking to you about Twitch.
Whack. If it's not on black and white, my thing is that it's not on black and white. I just think you're that's like me saying anything if it's not on black and white. I thought when I be listening to y'all talking on this clubhouse shit, y'all all be talking about paperwork, black and white, this and third. Now
that audio is not black and white. Listen, Act. I got a homeboy named
yes man.
Shit, right?
G motherfucker. Like we look up to him, nigga got monster hands, all that, right? So
Wack
probably like
can't never be
1997,
arguing with somebody
right? My
one on
homeboy,
one. It's always a bunch of
J
fucking
Cat
yes men.
had a murder trial, right? And we don't know how the
But he
fuck they
stood
put
his
him on the
ground.
case, right? I said,
And I think he was
out
right.
the
I
motherfucking
don't
back
like
of the
neither one of
chambers
these
comes
niggas.
forward, dog, get on the stand. We like, damn, what the homie doing here? He goes to
Two
tell,
snakes hissing at each
yeah,
other.
he did the crime, this, that. They're like, was you there? He said, no. He said, well, how are you speaking on this? The DA comes and submits the paperwork. He's been an informant since 1987. He is a reliable source, right? Needs to say, my homeboy get a deal for 40. He do 20 years straight. He's been home. He's doing fine right now, right? That was never on paperwork. When you working, my nigga. Cut that shit out, my nigga. And you telling me all you got is a wiretap? That sounds crazy as fuck. But I'm gonna excuse you.
Hey, listen.
I'm gonna excuse you because you know nothing
Wack
about
is
the
Wack.
criminal world, bro. That ain't your world, nigga.
That nigga
I
Wack
done did
is
too
shit.
much time. If you call me Ack and say, Wack, I need to buy some drugs, and I say, hey, Ack, I'm a mailman, I don't sell drugs. Come on, Wack, fuck you out of man. What's up? You know what? Call little TJ. He got it. Here go his number. And you call TJ, try conspiracy 5 years, and I ain't touching.
Damn, you just told little TJ business.
Just for giving you a phone number.
Right.
I don't think you understand.
He just told on little TJ.
Right. Again, you're using
that
birds is a conspiracy.
You basically like this nigga, and you basically just gonna use whatever.
Nah, wait. You a fucking lie. Wait.
with Jim Jones.
You a lie.
Wait.
You a lie. That was my homeboy. I can put up
That was
screenshots
your
right now.
homeboy.
He
Now,
just
we
to
don't
get a
need that.
song.
fucking lie,
But that's not
nigga.
the only thing. Listen, that's an example. Now,
don't
even to
do that, bro.
Hold on. Even to the Hassan situation, I was in that room with y'all. You did not intimidate Hassan. Like, let's be clear. Like,
let me ask you something.
I was in that room with you. You did not intimidate Hassan. Let's be clear, nigga.
Was you drunk?
Towards the end of the interview. When
you was
drunk, everybody was smiles.
Hold on,
Everybody
wait.
was smiles.
When did I ask him about his booty towards the end of the interview?
Wack, you did not say that in any type of threat.
Yes or no?
You did not say that in any
type. Booty at the
he
1
still
minute.
asked him, but it wasn't a
mark.
threatening way.
Wack, but you did not.
I mean, either way, he did ask him, but it wasn't threatening, like Wack keeps saying it. But still, he still asked him.
I say that
it's yes or no. Do you got the 30 IQ or do they?
No, Wack.
Did I ask him at the 1 hour and 50 minute mark?
Yo, Wack.
Did I ask him at the 1 minute and 50 mark?
He tried to change the
Why
topic.
you running from the question, Ack?
See, this is you hear the yes man answer the question, Ack, but you see how Wack dances around every fucking question that's asked of him, and nobody says shit. And then when he asks a question, answer the question, dog. Answer the question.
The nigga at the 1 minute and 50
mark. That nigga balls out your
what
mouth.
You say sometimes it's how you say it. By the way,
did I ask him at the 1 minute and 50 mark?
Listen what I'm saying. I asked Hassan.
Yes or no?
Oh. Yes, but
yes or no?
Now you gotta let me speak.
Yeah, okay, wait. And you said you was drunk at the end, right?
All right, tell me when I can speak.
What you say don't matter.
Tell me when I can speak.
Wack, you didn't intimidate him, bro. Like that's the thing.
Okay, well, what do you mean by intimidate? Wait. First of all, I never said I intimidated.
Okay,
that's what I don't know where you get that word from. I said enough disrespect. I said enough disrespectful shit to do.
Nobody in that room took what you were saying to him disrespectful.
Yeah, this is very surprising.
Nobody in there took it like that.
There wasn't no hood niggas in the room. It was all squares because everything he was saying.
All the hood niggas told me. You know what the hood niggas told me?
You hear the dick riders?
On that nigga ass, we fuck with you.
Right.
That's what we took from it.
Now you loaded, you drunk. You don't even remember stumbling down the hallway. You lost shit, all kind of shit. You don't even remember.
He said he was drunk, stumbling down the hallway.
Now I'm gonna tell you why your ears work different.
This whole conversation is crazy,
and I love you for it. You let a nigga know I'm a civilian. I'm calling the police, and that's what that is, nigga. You come to my house, I'm gonna shoot you. That's it. What a street nigga hear and what you hear as disrespect is two total different things. I'm gonna be real with you. If a nigga, I'm gonna be real. The first time I violated dude is when he asked 6ix9ine about that money, and before 6ix9ine can answer, I said, "Fuck that, we ain't giving that nigga shit." Black call that shot.
Yup, Sigma, they all fucking lame.
I'm being honest.
Listen,
hold on. Y'all got audio Pharaoh.
He said this was what happened at 40 plus.
Did I not say those words?
Can we play the audio?
Did I not say? Yeah, we can play it.
Who said something yesterday? He said, old gangsters from the 90s beef and just don't sit right with me. Who said that? Was that Ty? Who said that yesterday?
Did I not say those words?
If you got the same type of tone.
Listen, did I not say those words? Yes or no?
But did you say the same tone and aggressiveness? See, that's
listen.
Did you say it in the same? Yeah, it was Ty.
I say this not disrespecting Act. Watch this. You a bitch, Act. Bitch ass nigga. You a bitch, Act. bitch ass nigga. No matter how I say it, I said it. It means the same thing.
Now that statement is true. Doesn't matter how he said it. He said it, and he just made an example. You a bitch act. You a bitch act. It doesn't matter the tone. He still said it.
Thing, bro.
I mean,
But
you don't have to say it.
Wack did make it seem like he was all up in his nigga face. And nah, nigga, you asked them questions very nicely, but they still were asked
in a fucking tone.
Somebody asked me a question about my booty. Somebody running up
something different, bro.
I mean,
somebody asked me a question about somebody running up in my booty. We got to fight. Fuck that. I don't care if he asked me nicely. He said it gangster. You can't be talking this gangster shit, and then when niggas check you on it, you sitting in the chair with your chest all sunken.
Like real, but like this, I interviewed Hassan before, right? And we talked about some of the same shit you said to him, right?
He said, "Whack 100 a gangster. I'm an investor."
I didn't talk about it though, bro. I didn't do no talking about it, bro.
You're asking him questions. Your tone gonna matter. It's gonna matter.
Did I ask him a question when I said 6ix9ine ain't giving up shit, nigga from the other side? Fuck that. Blame it on Wack.
He from the valley.
What I said, right?
Nick was saying he from the valley.
Let's say I said it.
Like, I don't even think he acknowledged you when you said it. He was talking to 6ix9ine.
Man, you niggas about you niggas over there. Hey, you see niggas make up excuses for everything.
But these niggas make up every excuse in the goddamn world for Wack 100 and go say he this nigga make up excuse. Oh, this nigga sound like a real hypocrite right now.
Whole thing, academics. He kept saying, "Hey, nah, Hassan, nobody want to hear that shit, man." Hey, he kept he kept downplaying everything Hassan was saying. He was downplaying that shit, like, man, hey, fuck all that, man.
Why you didn't ask him about his booty? Wait, hold on, act. You was not gonna ask that man about that ass violation because you knew it was disrespectful.
I asked him. Hold on, I asked him about it on. I think we did a one-on-one interview. So I asked him about it. Go listen. Nobody got the footage for that.
Did you ask him the way I asked him? Do you know why I asked him, right?
Listen to
the nigga got to talk about how many people brains he'll blow out and all this shit. And my thing was, yo, bro, real calm. Hey, bro, let me ask you a question. Because the people want to know. Where was all that energy when dude was doing what he was doing to you, my nigga?
That's what he said.
In my world, right? You gonna hear that
rumble.
one way and one way only.
That's a rumble.
You probably said, hey, do you want to, touch bases?
There'd have been some furniture moving up in that motherfucker. You asked me that shit.
Is on what happened to you? Nah, that ain't what I told him. I'm like, nigga, you extra out right now for real with all this. What you gonna do and these arm motions and shit? So, nigga, where was all that? Then when he went to say, this,
they all been in prison.
Then
or
I said
Wack
again, I don't know how your brain.
Hassan been in prison. Somebody asked you about your booty. That's a rumble.
You like it?
Wack, you were being slick.
He said, so you
like
it.
Okay, listen.
Nobody on Clubhouse call you out for this. Is what I be saying.
Hey, listen, but your mind call it slick. In the streets, I was being very disrespectful. You gonna register as slick because you ain't gonna do nothing for nigga talking to you like that. If a nigga would have played me the first time a nigga would have said,
I think Wack, academics is standing his ground for the bitch that he is.
And I knew that had that business. I was trying to get done with my partner. Had nothing to do with him. It was all right.
In the grand scheme of the conversation, like everybody said little slick shit. He called you a house nigga right there. Like you knew.
He called you a house nigga. He did.
If he'd have called me a slob, I'd have broke his jaw. House nigga, we
now is an excuse. You see? He said he called you a house nigga right there. Oh, he would have called me a slob. I would have been. He still insulted you, nigga. You see how he dance around shit?
Just talking about blackness and what he should and shouldn't be.
Some people might say that.
I don't take house nigga. Are you comparing house nigga to me telling him he like getting fucking ass?
See, Wack, you do this comparison game. This is popular tactic.
Yes or no, bro?
Popular
house nigga being called a house nigga.
Pointing out.
Listen, it's disrespect.
He pointing out all Wack 100 tactics.
Disrespect. Yes or no?
No, there's levels of disrespect. There's levels. House niggas not disrespectful,
bro. So before it wasn't levels. I was saying,
house
you're right,
nigga is disrespectful.
If you said in that angry tone that you said,
somebody called me a house nigga. We fighting. Them fighting's words.
Doesn't matter. You know, hey, bro. If I call my wife, if I say, "Shut up, bitch," it means shut up, bitch. If I say, "Shut up, bitch," it act like, see, your mind, how our mind work. We talk about street mentality, and you talk about being a square. And I love you for being a square.
No, Nikwa. He asked him because Hassan got hype and was talking about, I'm never lacking. And I'll shoot this nigga, and I'll shoot that nigga, and I done caught bodies. So Wack tapped him and was like, wait. You keep talking about you put in all this work. Why didn't you do nothing to the nigga that supposedly raped you? That was the question.
So what a nigga could have got in my
Ack, you even said that, Ack. You even said that. You said, and I am not, from the streets. I'm a civilian. I didn't find it intimidating.
Listen.
But you could qualify your statement with that.
There's no such significance in his butt. It's just the fact that Hassan was talking about how he do all this killing and he caught 3 bodies and he put in all this work. He never lacking. So Wack tested him like, so you do all this, but you did nothing to the man that ran up in your ass. You didn't know that's how Hassan Campbell got popular, for claiming that Bambaataa molested him. And then you find out that people got mixed feelings. I think it was a full-blown relationship, personally. Some people say he got molested. I think it was a relationship because he kept going back. He was asking this nigga for money. You see him in pictures with this nigga.
Changing.
Yeah, the ages kept changing. Like, it was just certain shit that just didn't add up.
That's why I just left it alone. Not enough information to know.
Yeah.
To interpretation based on who you are, not what was said.
You're lowering me right now. You're lowering me.
Statutory.
Wack came on very inaccurate.
You said how old was he? First he said he was like 16. And then when motherfuckers started looking at him funny, like, wait, 16? You claim that you was in the streets and doing all this other shit. Then it went to 14, then it went to 13, then it went to 12. The ages changed. But then when you find out this nigga was like still chilling with this nigga and being a security guard for this nigga as an adult. This nigga was sending him money in jail. All types of shit.
He was watching. Them wasn't his dogs. Them was Bam dogs.
Yeah, Bam dogs. That allegedly was the fallout when Bam took them dogs back.
Mm-hmm.
And then Bam got stabbed in a different country trying to molest some little boy in his sleep. And Hassan found out that he found himself another young man. And that was it. And then Bee Stinger came out, or I don't know. It seemed like a full-blown relationship to me, but people got their different opinions. He said he was well-groomed. That's the best way to put it. Sigma.
Of the energy and mood that he had when he was at the interview.
No, I didn't. Everybody watched it, bro.
Who was there?
No, don't nobody think it's funny that it happened. Hold on, pause that. Don't nobody think it's funny that it happened, but they sit up here and talk about, because the way he put it out was questionable. That's just so, just like Satnetta, when they were saying he had AIDS, he said something that they could misconstrue, and they did that.
No, he was still around this man as an adult.
He kept going back to Bam apartment. That's
you gotta think about it.
See, he said he was molested when he was younger, but then he ran across Bam. But see, when you put everybody's stories together, because B Stinger was like, Bam told him, we can do this, but I ain't gonna put you on. And he was like, okay, cool. And he was like, I did it just to belong. Yeah. So we can juxtapose that onto Hassan and say he did it. He did it to, to be one of the in crowd, and that was the price of admission. And the common consensus in Bronx River is that that's what Bam was doing.
And what is really conflicting with
then
people.
He was, after the fact, when he got older, he got sent to prison. He was still communicating with Bam because Bam was in the commissary. It's pictures of him and Bam hugging.
And then he kept talking about he a gangster and he's shooting people, he killing people, and he doing
hits for Bam and all this other kind of stuff. Yeah. At first, everybody left him alone, but then when the stuff just started, it started making no sense. And then everybody found that what was it, Kemet on trial, where he was bodyguarding for Bam, and that was after he was full grown and out of jail and everything. So everybody was like, "Skirt, pump your brakes," and he wouldn't understand it. So that's when everybody started kind of picking it, because they was like, "Dude, you couldn't have been, that couldn't have happened because
And then he said he didn't finish it, he thied him. He said he thied him, and then recently he admitted that he raped him. So now his story just keeps changing. And then
he been
he had his
crying in
chance
front of the
to,
fish tank for years.
yeah, and
If
when
he
he
ain't
first
crying
came
in
out,
front of the fish tank, he crying on that couch
and when he first
or in
came
the
out, he
projects
promised
in the middle of the
he,
night when ain't
he
nobody
promised
around.
to take Bam to jail and take Bam to court and let the due date pass just last August.
Yeah, and he said all he wanted was an apology. B
But his
Stinger went on
original
to
promise
help get
was
a law passed.
to
Yeah, and
take
then
people to
yeah,
Bam to court.
Hassan's threatened to touch other people's kids. I won't repeat
Yep.
that mess.
I'll let him say it.
You motherfucker.
Now you see why we don't feel bad for him.
Oh, and don't forget the fact that
He
he
got caught.
told Izzy that he was gonna dig his dead mama up with a shovel, do something to her, and then beat her back in her grave with said shovel.
Yep.
We heard
So
that shit. We was like, what is the entire fuck?
yeah. So
There's even more egregious shit out there that he done
yeah.
said that I don't forgot. Oh, and don't forget
He
the
done said
axe
so
to
much.
his daughter's head. Don't forget that one.
Yep. Oh wait,
You got that
wait.
picture handy?
Yep. Yep. Look what he did to his daughter, and he uses the axe to make fun of what's the name dad's death.
Mm-hmm. Kwame
Let's
Brown.
not forget he did this to his daughter, and his daughter is autistic or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we don't feel bad for that man.
Yeah, and the
And
kitty movie.
yeah, he got
We
caught
ain't
with the
talking Disney here, people.
and he
Yeah,
described
he
it.
threatened Sinetta. He said he wanted to box
He's
Sinetta, and
done
everybody was like, "Why you want to box
so
that
many
old
shit.
man?"
And what he say to 10 Toes Down? He said, I'm gonna choke you and have you suck my thing, and I'm gonna save some for your mother.
Yeah, one
He
of them
said
niggas, and you right, he don't claim him.
oh yeah, the Hassan Campbell Jr.
Mm.
Transsexual.
He said that he was molested before Bam ever got a hold of him.
Yeah, he said it was his brother
So
or
that's why
something.
it make no sense to me why he would keep going. He was like it was
Going back.
bad at home, but his mom was beating him, but then turned out she was beating him for going over the Bams or some shit.
Yeah, so you was running away from beatings to
To
be
go to
molested.
yeah, so it
It just
don't
the math ain't math.
yeah, and then it's like everybody up in that woo.
That's why they call him Thigh Son, because
Uh-huh.
he said he thied you.
Me.
So he molested all these other kids and he just thied you. And then he finally admitted in his rant the other day that
Yeah, when
he
he
did.
was up there in the middle of the night in the projects.
Mm-hmm. Hey! Hey!
Stop doing
that. Y'all gonna feel my pain. You live here? Old lady was like, yeah. He was cussing old folks out and everything, yo. Yeah.
It ain't funny, but it's funny. Oh, if you didn't know about that, then you don't know about that time he took Derek to have drinks And because I can.
Yeah, then he messed with he got the bull drunk and pushed him all up and down the street.
And then he was like, "Come here, let
Your
me hold my
fingernails
clothes on here, little nigga."
Your fingernails is gay. Your over is gay. Why is you touching my butt? Because I can.
They went and had Long Island iced teas, y'all.
Uh-huh.
And they
Come
had
on,
to go
bro. That's
back.
one of the
He was
strongest
like, I
fucking
can't
drinks.
just leave him here. But it worked.
Uh-huh. You just wanted to embarrass him. All right, so
sorry.
I'll play this last short clip of Bullet's Thotty showing up in the chat yesterday and running.
Oh,
and then
yeah,
we're gonna
we
get on
pushed him
that
over. He failed. He failed.
Yeah, he
We
failed.
all saw you push his ass over.
We all the whole fucking YouTube saw you push that nigga right over.
Oh no. Oh, he's a big YouTuber. That's what he told me.
I'm a big YouTuber. Look who's I'm a
He
big
cussed
in the
that
building.
lady out talking about she let the people order and he couldn't order because the Burger King was closing, but they had ordered from the self-order kiosk. And he sitting up here cussing the lady out, cussing this lady out, talking about how he a big YouTuber. And if she don't want him to give her a bad review, he better give her a fish. She better give him a fish sandwich or some shit.
Claiming everybody was getting free food, but they was at the little
They was at the self-checkout kiosk paying for their shit over there, and they had their
so
tickets
fucking
in
drunk.
their hands. And then
And what he didn't realize is in all fast food restaurants, they have to lock all doors but one. So there's only one way in and one way out. So they can keep watch of who comes in and who comes out.
Selena.
You too, Selena. All right, so we're gonna play this last little short clip of Bullet's Thotty showing up to showing up in our chat yesterday.
Let me talk comment. Did
Oh,
y'all see when he called the cops to come get the gun? He found it.
Yeah, he called the cops on himself. What I heard was he was beating up his wife, and she called the cops on him. So he hurried up and called the cops and made up some old bullshit story or some shit like that.
That's jacked up, man. Because I know he used to call her a crackhead and shit.
Yep, I remember that. She got a crackhead working the camera. She do kind of look like one. I ain't gonna lie. The picture I seen. All right, so yesterday we did a live and we were talking about Bullet's Thotty getting slapped. And lo and behold, this punk motherfucker tried to show up in the motherfucking chat all sneaky and then run like he always does. Because I said, look, if you want to come up and say something, because he asked me who I was. I was like, nigga, you know who I am, nigga. I cussed you the fuck out on 10 Toes Down channel. You know exactly who I am, nigga. Called you a grandma pusher. I signed side bitch. You know exactly who I am.
He knew what he was doing because he blocked all of us in the chat. He had to have. That's the only way he could have did that shit. He was there from the beginning because he blocked every one of my other accounts.
Yeah, he had to have. Damn. See, that's how you know the shit growing. Moving up the algorithm, y'all.
The whole state.
It's not going to turn orange for you. Who you look who's in the building. I'm the nigga that cussed you the fuck out on 10 Toes channel, nigga. Stop fucking lying. Nigga walked up on you, smacked the shit out you, bro. Look who's in the building, sis.
I see him.
Nigga. Stop lying. So you can
see his
comment right there. Stop lying. Ain't nobody. You can see his comment right there. Who you, nigga? But nobody else could see it but me. But luckily for StreamYard, I can post a comment. I had no gun. It was one nigga. He smacked the shit out you.
I saw it too in StreamYard.
Niggas didn't
share. I saw it. I went going to snipe his butt, and I couldn't find him.
Yeah. Fucking Hassan too, nigga. We don't worry about who I am. We know who you is. We know you fucking Hassan too, nigga. We know you his side bitch.
If you on the computer, it'll automatically pull it up. But if you want another device, now you got to type the whole name in.
Yeah. He said, who you, my nigga? You gonna find out real soon.
I get disrespectful. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Niggas got the address to my studio. You niggas is bitches because you come up with every excuse on why come
I
on.
told my baby mom, look, this bitch nigga in the chat. Don't get mad at me because you embarrassed yourself.
Yeah, P-Funk shit. Talk your shit. 6878 Beck Avenue, North
Look,
Hollywood.
everybody like, oh, damn it, where he go?
I dare you to, nigga.
Hey, Shadow, this nigga said another word, roast his goofy ass.
Nigga, pull up on me.
I told Shadow if he said another word, roast his goofy ass.
Right there. Come pull up on me.
He said, who you, my nigga? The name is on the title.
I dare you to. You niggas run your mouth. I've been out here. I've been on 23 years being the same loud mouth nigga I've been. Come pull up on me. I dare you.
Y'all see, he don't say nothing else.
We've been the strongest thing.
Oh, no, don't block him. Don't block him. See, I thought everybody blocked him. Miles, don't block him. Let that nigga in the chat.
You know why niggas got a problem with me? Because I am the bug, nigga. Nigga ain't hating because it's a power room.
Don't block him.
Nigga. Come pull up on me, nigga. I dare you to. Keep on believing.
Hey, Miles, don't block Bullets, Gotti. Let that nigga come in the chat. And I thought somebody blocked him, but he blocked everybody else so nobody could see his comment.
These niggas saying who don't fuck with wax. Come on and play, nigga. We playing back, nigga.
So I guess he thought he was going to sneak a comment and intimidate me, and I wouldn't have no proof of it. You fucked up.
Mm-hmm.
You fucked up. You fucked up, right? You thought you was going to intimidate me, and then I would have no proof of it, and then so you can go to
an hour and a half, and you blocked everybody that came in. You win the weirdo award of the week, dude.
And then
for real.
You know, he went back to the chair, and then he probably went back to the channel. Yeah, I wasn't over there. This nigga clout chasing. These niggas just saying my name, the clout chase. I wasn't over there. This nigga was just saying my name, the clout chase. You know his excuse for everything, clout chasing.
Mm-hmm. Everybody clout chasing.
Yeah, don't everybody clout chasing. Uh-huh.
Sitting up there calling his son all kind of stuff. Then until he paid attention to him. Then he rolled over like a puppy, showing his stomach.
He got right on his knees. He already dug his own grave.
Can I get one mic right quick? Thank y'all. If you don't know where you at, you ain't got a gang. Real got a gang. Bullets.
Yeah, he's in the chat. Hold on. It's still there. Hold on.
Y'all share the room. Follow the mod. Make sure you share in the room. You can share it.
Or he must have took it out himself. Oh, here it go.
Let me get the mic.
Pull up on me. Fuck the excuses. I had a nigga tell me the other day, Whack, I've been in your studio. Great.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Here.
I was surprised you didn't see it, Shadow.
I know what it is over there. And stop woofing, nigga. Stop woofing.
Bullets thought he was in the chat. Look, there it go right there.
All this gonna be is bias. Win, lose, or draw. All this gonna be is bias, nigga. And if you win, they still coming. It don't stop on P-Funk. But you will get what you're looking for. Come pull up on me, my nigga. You always doing that talking about what you gonna do. Fuck your mama and your dead home.
Somebody
so now you got a reason to come. Whoever that nigga was,
still show in the chat. That's what I was saying earlier. If you got somebody blocked already, they'll show up on Restream.
He said it might be a fake ER page. No, that was Bullets Gotti page. I know that for a fact.
I see him in the Restream chat.
Yeah, either he took it out or somebody blocked him.
It was never there in the first place. Ain't nobody blocked him. We'd have seen it.
So he didn't take it out.
Under the code. He blocked on YouTube, but not on Restream. On StreamYard.
But I never blocked him.
Somebody must have.
I still got it on my joint. Whoever blocked him, unblock that nigga. I want that nigga in the chat. Hold on. So
I don't see him, and I got a mod stick, so I should.
Yeah, I don't see him neither.
That's what I'm saying. It should be right in the chat.
So he popped in. Thought he was going to intimidate me, and then ran. Darted. Can you go on my joint and see if he blocked? That's like throwing a rock and hiding behind a car.
Mm-hmm. Throwing eggs off a bridge and shit and causing an accident and running.
Exactly.
I can't
get unblock that nigga. Let that nigga over there.
Hold on.
I want his goofy ass. Yeah, he probably is on Restream. But that go his joint right there. So he can't act like he wasn't in my chat. Bullet, you embarrassed yourself, buddy. Come on back. Come on back.
It's got YouTube by his signal, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So he on YouTube, so that means
yeah. Bring him back. I want that goofy nigga. Yeah, he took it out then. Then he did it. Oh, Bullets. You want to jump in the chat and then run? Cause niggas ain't scared. Oh, use a thought.
Do anything for clout.
Oh, he's a thought. Yeah, he took it out. That's because he took it out because he's not on the block list.
On any
one of y'all blocked it.
I got your channel running on 3 accounts, and I don't see it on there in one of them.
Yeah, so none of y'all blocked him, so he must have did that shit. Cause I ain't blocking.
They doing weird shit on YouTube again,
y'all.
I tell you the address.
Play me on fast forward again.
Hold on, ain't nobody coming in no cop, nigga.
I was going to say I sound weird as fuck. All right, y'all. It's time for me to get on out of here. I'm going to bed.
I'm dropping down. Peace.
Yeah, bring that ass here, boy. No homo. All right, y'all. Time for me to get on out of here. Shout out to the chat. Shout out to everybody. He said I just blocked him. Y'all be easy. Shout out to the chat. Shout out to everybody that stopped by. Like I say every day, every live, it's you guys who make this show special. Trip C's will be up next. She should be going live any minute now. So head on over there, the Trip C's Treehouse. If you haven't already subscribed, go over there, head over there and subscribe. Shout out to the chat. Shout out to everybody that stopped by. Like I say every day, it's you guys who make this show special. But I gotta get on out of here. It's your boy, Bring His Baby, Remio, my aunt. You were just tuned into my aunt TV. I see y'all when I see y'all. Until then.
You better be careful, little buddy.